Hey folks, welcome back to ICT Readings TTS Consider. I hope that everyone is cool. So today's session is gonna be a little quiet. Before going into the session, let me know that you can hear me. The voice is cool. Okay, just let me know that. By the way, I can see a lot of penguins today. Okay, a lot of penguins are over there. By the way, guys, at the same time, I would love to ask you one thing, and that is about yesterday's live. Okay, I did it only the members only live, so I can see a lot of members are over here already. So just let me know how was that. Okay, I need a summary because I just suddenly I stopped the streaming because of the load shedding. So I just need to know that how was that stream. Okay, thank you guys for confirming that you can hear me. It's loud and clear. Thank you so much. Please let me know how was that session, yesterday's session. Good afternoon everyone. I hope that everyone is cool. And I will talk about little price action over here. Then I will stay quiet today actually. I mean, I'm not gonna outline anything. I'm not gonna teach you any price action today. Not going to frame any trade. We will just read the price action. That's all. So today my target is not the subscriber. As you can see, it's near about 304 subscriber. So yeah, I'm just not interested to for the subscriber. So I'm not gonna spend my time for reading the price action. I mean the future price action. What is going to happen? What is going to be my expectation? I'm not going to do that. You can ask me why I'm not interested, because I have already outlined everything how to trade the Wednesday session. If you are confused, you please go to my Twitter, and if you go over there, I have already just one tweet has cleared everything in my Twitter. So how the Wednesday work actually, I have explained that over there. Okay, so make sure that you are with me in my Twitter. Okay, it was the best live ever. Thank you, Sergey. So I guess only you were enjoying the video, because I can see some other members already also over there, but they are not responding. So yeah, it's cool. I would love to talk about this price action over here. Okay, this whole price action from 15-minute chart, and I would love to show you something from 15-minute chart as well. So always I keep telling that London session actually liquidity making session and liquidity taking session. 95% of the time it makes the liquidity, and 5% of the time it actually take the liquidity. Without making the liquidity, it expand lower. Okay, nothing is 100% sure. This is Monday London session. In Monday, what did you see over there? London has made buy side liquidity. This is Tuesday London session. What do you see over there? Market has made sell side liquidity. This is Wednesday London session over here. If you mark that high, just let me show you that. If you just mark that high and this high, are they relatively equal highs? Anybody has any confusion about that? Isn't it relatively equal highs? So clean buy side liquidity. This is the London session from today. So it has made that buy side liquidity. After taking that buy side liquidity, it has made that buy side liquidity. Now guys, is it going to clear to you how to trade the London session? I'm not a London guy. I don't like to trade the London session, but this is how the London session work. So you have to understand that market is going to make the London liquidity around the London session 95% of the time, not 100% of the time, but 95% of the time. Okay, I just can't say that it's gonna make that 100% of the time. So if you just think about that small information, that London session is going to make the liquidity, lot of things will be clear to you. Trust me, lot of things is going to clear to you. Okay, so London session Monday, London session Tuesday, London session Wednesday. It's your job. You are using the information I'm giving to you or not, because you are not going to get it from anywhere else. Below this extreme buy side liquidity, I have this last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. At the same time, this week has taken all the liquidity to trade that last fair value gap. The 50% of that week, I just marked it where the price came to the constant cosment of that 50% of that week. Now this is not so clean, so obvious week. I agree with you, but when I see market is reversing from there before trading that low of this fair value gap, I was confused why it is doing that. Then I have find out that something is very natural. First, it has been rejected from the constant cosment, but didn't tap to the constant cosment, left small portion open over there. Here it left small portion of open over there, didn't tap to the low. So repeats history repeats. At the same time, is this reversal valid? This is the week which it has taken all the liquidity, trade that perfect fair value gap, the 50% of that week. If really market would love to fall, I don't want to see that it will reach until that constant encroachment. Even if it reach until that constant encroachment, body should not close above that constant encroachment. Now, what you see, it tapped to this constant encroachment of that week, then market is falling. Okay, just it's falling. So this is the fall, and here this is the last fair value gap. Right now market is over here. What do you see? What do you have? You have buy side liquidity, this buy side liquidity, okay, from London session. This is the buy side liquidity. You have this sell side liquidity around that area. Today is the expansion day. Above this buy side liquidity, I didn't mark the buy side liquidity. Please mark it by yourself because I have already a lot of lines over there, so I didn't just mark it, but I know this is the buy side liquidity. Above this one, I have this extreme buy side liquidity. Today's expansion day, I will be in one-sided. That means trend is gonna be your friend. Okay, simple. Trend is going to be your friend. First, you have to make sure that what is happening. In London session, market went higher, take all the liquidity, then it broke lower. What should I expect now? I'm just gonna clear it. Right? Until this sell side liquidity. My weekly bias is bearish. If you have watched my weekly bias video, my weekly bias is bearish. So I am bear. Okay. Though market has done its job over there, so my weekly target has done over there. After taking the liquidity, my weekly liquidity, it has made another liquidity. So I'm expecting that market is going to take that liquidity by today or tomorrow. Yesterday, my target was that buy side liquidity. Okay, that buy side liquidity was my target from yesterday, but market didn't take it, brother. You are wrong. No, I'm not wrong. That is my direction. I'm not gonna predict the close. I am just trying to catch the run toward my direction. I don't need to catch the whole move. Here, it has taken that liquidity. See it, how beautifully it went higher and take that liquidity, but it didn't take it yesterday. It used the midnight to reach until that area, or the London session actually to reach until that area to take that buy side liquidity. So that is another opportunity for me to take a buy. Akshay Madhok, let's go and stay price action. Hey man, thanks man, thanks to you for your, I mean, keep donating me. Keep donating. Oh man, just a second. A very good learning session, thank you each. So I got two guys. Salam brother, walaikum salam, and salam to my lovely trader companion. Yeah, thank you brother for giving the salam. Walaikum salam. Edgar, super session, too much value on it. Will be awesome if we can have one per week. Actually that session I have planned 2 months ago. Okay, so 2 months ago I have planned that I will make a special, a special session for the members only, because you guys are keep appreciating me. That's why I choose that PM session and I did that one. Whoever actually missed that, you will get that to my YouTube channel, the members only. Okay, so the members can only watch that video. I hope that you should watch that video. Okay, the members, please watch that video because it's highly valuable. Trust me, you will never get that from anywhere else. So please watch that one and you will see how I actually do that things. Okay, Evan Genius, thank. Good afternoon, brother. Good afternoon, Bigusi. Okay. So right now market is over here. We have nothing to do until 9:30. Also, it's already 9:30. So I would love to. I will talk about this. I'm not gonna remove anything over here. I will talk about this, but later when I'm done with some kind of price action, then I will talk about this thing. So hold until that area. Please don't miss that part. When I will explain this part, please don't miss that part. It's really so important. Okay. Right now I'm in here and you can see this is the 9:30 candle. Sorry, this one is the 9:30 candle. Market is going higher. Are you willing to take buy, or you are thinking that this is the reaction of the last fair value gap? I'm thinking this is the reaction of the last fair value gap, so I will keep watching some of the fair value gap over here. I would love to watch the hourly chart because from 15-minute chart it's little messy. So from hourly chart, I can see this is at the level of the buy side liquidity. Then below this buy side liquidity, I have the breakaway gap. Market is making a fair value gap around that area from hourly chart. So it is making some kind of fair value gap around that area. It's not yet, but maybe it will make some kind of hourly fair value gap over there. If I go to 15-minute chart, from 15-minute chart, well, I can see I have two fair value gap around that area, which is important to me. So this is the first fair value gap. What did I say? I am gonna quiet today. I forgot that. I can't stay without talking. I talk too much. And আম্মা এইটা বন্ধ করে দিয়ে দাও. Okay. So let's see what is going to happen. It has made the buy side liquidity around that area. You know how to trade this one. So yeah. Good afternoon to all of you. Right now market is just reacting from that last fair value gap. We will see how it react. I'm really not interested to increase my subscriber today. I just touched 300 subscriber yesterday, and yeah, I'm happy for that. So I will wait maybe. So today I'm not intended. I don't have any intention to ask for the subscription. That means the subscriber. But yeah, at the same time, don't forget to give me the likes. I need the likes. Today I would love to be a student like you. Okay, so I'm not here to show you the price action. Instead of that, I'm here to learn from you guys. What you were thinking, I'm just trying to ask. I'm trying to predict that one. We have a news around 10. Either way, I don't have anything to do until 10. You can see this is a market structure shift. Is that valid market structure shift? This swing low has shifted over there. Is that valid market structure shift? It's my question to all of you guys. Okay, is that valid market structure shift? And maybe market will make a fair value gap over there. You will take that entry toward the sell side liquidity because some guy named T2 who called himself the wizard, he told that market is going to take that sell side liquidity. So you are going to take yourself from there. Ask yourself first, is that swing low valid for shifting market structure or not? Can I force the market? No, you can't. Why? Because market didn't take the liquidity. Instead of that, it has made the liquidity. It didn't even tap to this fair value gap from 15-minute chart. It didn't even tap to this fair value gap. So I just can't force the market to give me a setup over there. But if it fall, brother, and I missed it, there's nothing wrong with that. Still price is above this last fair value gap, right? Above this last fair value gap. So this last fair value gap is very strong and it can hold the price, send it back for the buy side liquidity. I didn't remove this buy side liquidity, see this one, because I have a lot to talk about this price action. I will just go over here, but before that, I would love to see how it react around that area. At the same time, I would love to see the opening gap actually. So where is your opening gap? Here. Okay, so this is the opening gap. So this is the opening gap, and you can see so far market has traded the 50% of that opening gap tick by tick. That's cool. Yeah, it can fall from there, but either way, I'm not just interested because market didn't take the liquidity. So when it didn't take the liquidity, I'm not interested to frame a sell setup right now. But could I do that? I could do that because it was rejecting from the 50% of that new opening gap. Remember yesterday, the same logic over there. It tapped to the 50% of the opening gap, then boom, market went higher. But yesterday it has traded some kind of, at least some kind of fair value gap from 15-minute chart. But today it didn't do that yet. So there is no fair value gap which has traded market yet. So I will better wait little more time and I will wait for the more confirmation. Thanks for explaining. You are most welcome, Martin. Hey Apex. I was calling my mother to close the door actually. Make sure that you have given me the likes. Okay, I only ask for the like, guys. I don't ask for anything else from you guys. So please make sure that you have given me the likes. You should appreciate that. By the way, I got another member actually. Who is that? Mayak Kiprotik. Mayak Kiprotik. If I mispronounced your name, I'm extremely sorry, brother. But welcome to the member. Make sure that you have given me the penguin. Okay, I need the penguin. Day by day, guys, I'm really interested to talk with you guys. Okay, instead of the reading price section, I really would love to talk with you guys. Whoever with me for so long now, is this concept getting clear day by day, or is it getting more complicated day by day after staying with me? Just after staying with me, what do you think, brother? I need your feedback. Now, don't tell me something wrong. I mean, it's not your true opinion, then don't tell me that because I need your true opinion. I'm not gonna be angry on you if you say that, brother, you are bullshit. I'm not gonna be angry on you because if you give me your true opinion, true feedback, I will improve myself depending on your true feedback. Okay, so please make sure that you are giving me your true opinion. When and how I actually frame the trade, how I read the price action, how I go for the liquidity, everything. Okay, it's getting more clear, clear day by day, getting clear, no confusion, getting clearer. Okay, yes, every day I get more clear price action from you, one thing at a time. Okay, more clear. Most of us are restricted to join the membership. We missed a lot yesterday's live, and it saddens me. They deserve it. Okay, they're just supporting me for so long now, so they really deserve it. I'm extremely sorry that, brother. Whatever I'm just giving you here, it's not, don't think that it's valueless, but that one was just a special session. Okay, but I planned that for 2 months just for the members. I'm extremely sorry for that, but that doesn't mean they're going to be a better trader. They're going something more good. No, yeah, there is something special that I can't talk over here in general because people will start to judge me. That's why I'm just not able to explain that things in public. Okay, so I talked something over there that is little different over here, I mean comparing with here. And if you ask me what is that, then I will tell you that I told them something that ICT never told. Okay, so that is my experience, my observation about the price action, and it keep repeating. So I just added something with the ICT concept, but that is not, I learned from ICT. So that is why it's little different. Okay, so yep. Okay guys, I think you guys getting clear day by day. Thank you guys. Can you teach the opening gap? I talked about this opening gap already. The opening gap is some kind of gap which is actually important until 10 a.m. Until 10 a.m. I'm gonna use that opening gap. Now, if your bias, your narrative is telling you that market is going to fall, then any of this level, see this one, that one, that one, that one, and that one, any of this level can used as a resistance. It can be used as a resistance, then market can fall. This is how you will use the opening gap. This opening gap is stronger than the normal fair value gap. Okay, so that is how we actually use the opening gap. Now for example, before 10 market went through this fair value gap, the opening gap, it went through that opening gap. And when it went through that opening gap, by for any kind of reason you are thinking that market is going for that buy side liquidity, it's not going to fall, instead of that it's going for the buy side liquidity. In that type of situation, you will use this 5 level. This 5 level is important. Every single level is important. Okay, every level, any of them can be used as a support. if you are thinking that market is going to go for the buy side liquidity. So this is how I actually use the opening gap, and it is important for me until 10. Can you use that after 10? Absolutely, you can use that after 10. I don't use it because in one video of ICT he told that this opening gap is important until 10 a.m. So 9:30 to 10, this opening gap is used as a to mark your Judas swing. That means what is going to happen? Market is actually use that opening gap for make sure that it's Judas swing or something like that. If it is clear, let me know. If it is not, I guess I need little more time to explain that on. Day by day I will improve. No worries. It doesn't work. Scar scene. What didn't work, brother? By the way, I guess some of your uh, membership is not going to work. You have to use the VPN. Last night, one guy actually asked me about that. Then I gave him the link for the membership. If anyone is interested, okay, I'm not asking you to take the membership just for one video. Please don't do that. If you are interested to take the membership to appreciate this channel, only because of that. If you are taking the membership just to watch that one session, please don't do that. Please don't do that. It's more than enough if you just stay over here in this live streaming. It's free. You will get every kind of precision from here. Just for on that one video, don't take the membership. It's a request to all of you. Still now, if any of you would love to take that membership, you have to use the VPN. You know, the Proton VPN. You can use that VPN because some of your country actually doesn't allow that. So you have to use that VPN for taking the membership. And if you go to the membership, you will see all that ad over there, how much it is. I mean, everything you will get over there. Okay. So yeah, so far market tap to this last fair look up from 15 minutes chat. I told that today I'm not gonna talk too much. Instead of that, I'm going to be quiet. Still, I'm just keep talking. I'm just not a good guy. I don't keep my word. It's not good. You can see it tapped to this 15-minute entry fair look up over here. It tapped over there. At the same time, it has traded this 50% of that opening gap. Look over here. At the same time, it tapped the low of this 15-minute fair value gap. If you take a closer look, it's the relatively equal highs. This high and that high, they're relatively equal highs. I don't know you can see my closure or not. So the way I trade the London session, the Wednesday, I wait for 1 minute liquidity taken, then lower market structure shift, then it will keep going lower. So I will keep that in my mind. When market is going higher, I'm not getting panic. Or my market is just going higher now for all-time high, or maybe for this price. No, I'm not going to get that panic. Instead of that, I would love to see first, is that a reaction of that last fair breakup, or it is actually the reversal and market is going for the buy side liquidity. Around that area you have this buy side liquidity, and here you have the buy side liquidity. I didn't mark it, but I will mark it after explaining this price action. So you have to give me little more time to explain this price action. First I need to share that around 10 a.m. we have a news, how the price use that news. I need to be sure, make that sure. Okay, so I am gonna wait until 10 a.m. to see what is going to happen around that area. If market reach until this 15-minute last fair value gap, I will just remove this anti fair value gap from my chart. Okay, so I'm going to remove that one. At the same time, I'm going to remove this opening gap. All you just keep that in your mind. It has closed that opening gap 100%. See, this is the high of the opening gap. This is the low of that opening gap. It has closed that opening gap perfectly. A very nice Judas swing. What is Judas swing? Fake move. All the people who started to trade right now, they have seen that market fall too far. Now it is going higher now. They are seeing that market is going higher now. In my opinion, that is Judas swing. I have this sell side liquidity, that is my target. Initially, I'm expecting that market is going for that sell side liquidity. I will change my bias, obviously, but it will depend on the price action. So after seeing the price action, obviously I will just I will see. Okay, I will change. Do I need to change my bias or not? I will see that after the price action. So far, right until now, I'm bearish. I'm going to remove the opening gap because I have a lot of lines over there. All you have to remember that market has closed that opening gap perfectly. Okay, not even a single tick is left open. I can mark that open gap on that area. My regular trading hours gap, it's different, and the new day opening gap, it's different too. I must be doing something bad. The opening gap is the closing of the yesterday 5 p.m. and the opening of 9:30. So yesterday 5 p.m. closing, today's 9:30 opening. Just mark two line. If there is a gap, that is called the opening gap. The new day opening gap is yesterday's 5 p.m. close, 6 p.m. open. So there is 1 hour. 1 hour. What is that? 1 hour closing. The closing gap is the new day opening gap. No entry is valid until 10 because we have a red folder news around 10. Okay, so make sure that you are not hurry to take the entry. Make sure that this is the 15-minute last fair value gap over here to that specific leg. And now if it go to this leg, I have to go to hourly chart because it is the messy price action. So one guy actually asked me in my YouTube channel, when I go hourly fair value gap and when I look 15-minute fair value gap, until in that leg the 15-minute fair value gap was so clean, but in that leg, see this messy price action. If I see that type of messy price action in that type of situation, I actually switch my chart to hourly chart, and then I actually uh, mark the hourly fair value gap. By the way, guys, there is a discount code you can see on the top of my screen. One is Apex 80% discount. You will get the code over there, and the Bluenox for 90% discount. You will see the code as well. If any of you are interested to take that, you can use that code for that, and you will get the link on my description. So make sure that you check that out. Okay. Still now I'm not bullish. I'm not expecting that market will go higher. Instead of that, I'm bearish. Okay. But here you can see market has made a 15-minute bullish fair value around that area. So yeah, I will keep that in my mind that really market will love to go higher or not. Around 10 a.m. news will decide where market is actually going. So after 8 minutes we have a news. I will wait until that news. Then I will decide what is going to happen. Hmm. Hmm. I'm not in rush. I'm not thinking that I'm going to miss the run. I'm not thinking anything. I'm just keep watching the market. because until 10 there is no trade, at least not for me. If you are overzealous, obviously you can go for that trade, but I'm not interested to take any kind of entry until 10. I will wait for the news, then I will decide what I'm going to do. Larry's trading brother is Bluenox, not Bluenox. What is the difference between those? I mean, I guess it's Bluenox, not Bluenox. I don't know. What is the my pronunciation is very bad. I think we are going for the 1 hour equal high on NQ. I have no thinking right now, brother. I'm just bearish, that's all. Thank you for the last fair look at concepts, Tito. You are most welcome. Hello, bro. Leah and her trades. We tapped mean threshold of hourly order block. Yeah, I have seen that. I'm expecting the reaction. So the reaction from the last fair look from 15 minute chart, as well as the reaction from the hourly order block. I'm just expecting the reaction. So this should be the reaction. I'm expecting this is going to be the reaction. Then market will fall again. Because narrative is the strongest thing. I work with the narrative. Today is Wednesday. Around London session, market has taken the liquidity, reversed from the constant crossment of that week, made the buy side liquidity. It has fallen before the AM session. Now, my first expectation is market will keep falling for this sell side liquidity. This is my expectation. This is how the what to say, I mean, Wednesday works. But at the same time, if I get some kind of confirmation for that market is not actually falling, instead of that it's going higher, yeah, I will switch my bias to bullish. I will talk about that. Just give me the time until 10. Until 10, I have no intention to touch this market. So I will wait until 10, then I will decide what is happening. I will decide what is going to happen over there. Okay. So until 10, I have just nothing to do at all. Future curve. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. By the way, if Buro is over here, don't get angry on me, brother. As I told that today, I'm just not interested to read the price action, not interested to frame the trade, because I have already showed you how to work in Wednesday. So I'll just stop you if you think something wrong. I'll just stop you over there. Otherwise, you will decide how to trade today's session, how to actually work with Wednesday and Thursday. So I'm just interested to do that instead of framing the trade, reading the price action with everything. I'm just gonna stop reading the price over there. If any moderator are here, make sure that if someone is new to my channel, you have welcomed him. If anyone asked some kind of question and you know the answer, you have just given them the answer. Otherwise, just keep making the comment so that I can see it, because I just can't look over the comment box and the chart altogether. I just can't do that. I have 2 minutes left for the news, so I'm just waiting for the news. So let's wait for the news. No trade is valid until the news. Make sure that you understand that part. At the same time, I'm watching this candle from 15-minute chart. Would love to see where this candle close. I really would love to see it will close inside that favorable gap. Okay, I really would love to see it will close inside that favorable gap. I really want to see that. Well, if it close below this from 1 minute chart, if it close below this favorable gap, no, I told that I'm not gonna frame any trade. I'm sorry. Elmar Alvarez, how many losses for today? Do you tell that intentionally, brother? I'm just curious to know that. Do you tell that intentionally, or you are just telling that so serious way? Okay, perfect. So news in within 4 seconds, we will see. So this is the news, and we will see. Entry should be there. 1700 is too big. I don't want to take that huge. Instead of that, I would love to take 1200 loss. It's cool. 1200 loss is more cool. 6300? Seriously? Too much. 6300 is too much. No, I should not go for that. Instead of that, I should reach here and I should take the partial below that low. That's better. If it works or not. Let's see. So this body has closed inside the last favorable gap from 15-minute chart. Look at the body which has closed inside the favorable gap of the last favorable gap from 15-minute chart so far. Oh, cool. This is not a valid entry. Please don't take this entry, and please make sure that you are not telling the this, at least not this entry. Okay, it stop me out. Why it has stopped me out? Is that because of my trailing stop loss or not? We will look for that. If my stop loss is over there, would I be safe or not? Nothing is clear so far. Okay, nothing is clear until now. When it will be clear, you will go for the trade. Until now, there is no setup yet. No setup yet. So we are out of the news. So now is the time to start to look for a setup. I will start to look for a setup, but so far I'm not sure where market is going. Is it going for that buy side liquidity? Remember the buy side liquidity here, this high and that high, they are relatively equal highs. Is it going for that buy side liquidity, or is it going to fall for this sell side liquidity? I'm not sure yet. So it's not clear to me. I'm not interested to participate in this price action. So far I have seen that market tap to this last parabolic gap. Then this is the reaction until the order block over there and the propulsion block. It has been traded until that area. This whole thing, this last parabolic gap is holding the price. This order block is holding the price. So we will see. I will first wait for better price action. First, market has to make sure that where it is reaching for. This candle didn't even close above this last parabolic from 15-minute chart. So let me remove this one. This was the last parabolic from 15-minute chart. This candle didn't close above the last parabolic. That means this parabolic is not broken yet. It's not broken yet. So I'm just not interested to look for buy because this is not broken yet. I'm unable to look for sell because market didn't decide yet where it is reaching for. You can see this is the market structure shift over here. That, let me remove this one and that one. There is a valid market structure shift, fair value gap over there. If you want, you can obviously go for that buy. And as I told, I'm not going to do that. Maybe you are taking that buy or some kind of buy side liquidity around that. I don't know, but I'm just not interested to take that buy. Okay, I will let this go. The where it wants to go, I will just let him go. I'm not interested to touch it. This last parabolic gap is not broken yet. That's why I'm not interested to look for the buy. I will look for the buy if and only if I get the confirmation that's broken. And then maybe the last parabolic gap is broken, then I will look for buy. Until then, I'm just not looking for buy. Still now I'm looking for sell. My intention is market is going to fall. It's really true that continue to read the chat is really so difficult. It's really so difficult. But yeah, I guess I'll overcome this very soon. I don't know why you guys just keep telling like that way. Right now, I am just in a no man's land. I don't know where market is going. I have just no idea where market is going. It is going higher for this buy side liquidity. Is it going lower for this sell side liquidity? I don't know what is going to happen. So I will wait. There is nothing wrong for waiting. So I'm waiting actually. Yeah, I'm not gonna actually read the comment anymore because you guys are just unbelievable. You are just unbelievable. But today's session is gonna be so bored, okay? Because really, I don't want to read the price. I really don't want to read the price today. I would love to enjoy the price action like you guys do. I would love to enjoy it. Perfect, it's broken yet already. I'll have to go to hourly chart one more time. Right now market is trading this hourly fair value gap. This is the fair value gap. It should not reach to that fair value gap. So let me mark this highest or last fair value gap over there. It should not reach to that fair value gap. This should be the last line for the bull run. This fair value gap should be the last line for the bull run. If it reach until that area, that is unexpected, and then maybe I will change my bias and I won't be looking for any sell anymore. Maybe. We will see until that time. This is the entry fair value gap from hourly chart. So for market is inside that entry fair value gap. Why I'm expecting that market is not going to that fair value gap? The reason is it is at the level of the liquidity. So market doesn't need to reach until that area. If you want more clarification, I don't want to see that body will go above the constant encroachment of that fair value gap. I also don't want to see that. It's really so surprising to me, to be honest. I mean, I really didn't want to see that it will reach until that area. To be honest, I wanted to see that it will stop inside this bearish fair value gap. I mean, last fair value gap from 15 minutes. I'm just now really so confused. This price, I'm bearish. I don't care about this bull run. I really don't care about that. I'm bearish, and I believe that market will fall. If you ask me, yeah, I believe that market is going to fall. And I'm really surprised why market reached until that area. It's really unbelievable. If it reach over here, maybe I will be unable to trade today in morning session. If it touch to that fair value, I will be just unable to trade today. It's true, brother. So 50-minute last fair value gap, I just removed it. Why still after breaking the 50-minute last fair value gap, I can't look for buy? The reason is this whole price action is messy price action from 50-minute chart. Just look at this price action. Is it so clean or so messy? It's too messy price action. Here, it's better to go to the hourly chart and mark the hourly entry fair value gap and the last fair value gap. So far, I have seen that market reached until the entry fair value gap, reached until the constant encroachment. I'm cool. Okay, until now I'm cool for looking for sell because I'm looking for sell. I'm just not looking for buy. I'm just looking for sell. So yeah, it's cool. It's been rejecting from the constant. Constant encroachment. I would love to see it will reach until the low one more time. Okay, then maybe I will frame a sell set. Maybe. But again, if any of you are willing to take buy, as I told you, the liquidity, maybe some kind of liquidity taken, last fair value gap reaction, then a very nice market structure shift over here. This is a fair value gap over here, very immediate reaction. Maybe you are looking for a buy from there. You can go for that. I'm just not interested to take the buy. That's all, brother. Because the buying is not appropriate to me. It doesn't look like that market is going for the buy side liquidity. It doesn't look like that. It's called a pure clean Judas swing. I'm seeing this as Judas swing, the reaction of the last fair value from 50-minute chart. Now it was overzealous. It reached until that area. That is the only thing I'm really worrying about. Why it reached until that area? It should not reach until that area. But that doesn't mean I'm going to change my bias. How can I change my bias? It's really a difficult question. How can I change my bias? I have to see that this fair value gap is broken. See this upper fair value gap from hourly chart. When this is going to be broken from hourly chart, after that I'll be able to look for buy. Until then, I'm just unable to look for buy. Can I look for sell until this last fair value gap? Yeah, I can. I can look for sell until this last fair value gap, and until market is below this last fair value gap. That means if it tap to this last fair value gap, I will be unable to look for sell as well. So this is kind of a situation where I have to wait for the price action. I just can't look for buy Yeah, I can look for sell. To be honest, I can look for sell, but I just can't look for buy. T2 SMC trader EIA Petroleum status report high impact at 10:30. But I didn't see any news around 10:30. I don't know. There is another news around 10:30, but I didn't see it. Why are you looking for sell when there is already a 15-minute bullish parabolic formed and another one forming right now? It doesn't mean that if there is a bullish parabolic gap, you will start to look for buy. It's not like that. It's all about the price action, the narrative, the weekly bias, everything. Okay. So far the weekly bias. If you look for the weekly bias, I'm bearish according to my weekly bias. So market should fall today. Until yesterday, it should keep going higher. So it did it perfectly. Until yesterday, it went higher, did the manipulation above. Then today's manipulation has done already. It should keep falling now. So I'm not interested to look for buy. Instead of that, I will look for sell only. Okay. So it's not only about the fair value gap. I have a bullish fair value gap. That means I'm going to look for buy. No, it's not like that. You have to understand the whole factor, the narrative, every single thing. Okay. So let's see if it can tap to the low and then it fall or not. I would love to see that it will fall after tapping to this low. Tap to this low, then it will fall. I would love to see that. Now it should fall. It should not go until the constant encroachment. It should not go until the high. It should fall now with speed. The displacement should happen right now. Okay. If it doesn't happen, I'm just not going to touch this market. So as I told you, when I open my chart, my trade has done already over there. So this is how I actually do. It rejected from the constant encroachment, tap to the low, it should fall now with displacement. Is that swing low is valid for shifting market structure? Let's see. This is the fair value gap. Did it tap to this fair value gap? Look at the low over here, okay? Can you see my cursor? Here, cursor, here. The low, look over there, the low. The low is 199, sorry, 19989.25, 8925, 8925, 8950. That means it went one tick below that line. That means it has traded that fair value gap. So this swing low is valid for shifting market structure. I just need a displacement now, which is going to be valid for shifting market structure over there. If it keep doing this, I am not interested actually in that type of situation. I need the displacement right now. I have taken from 50-second, brother. Why you always do that, brother? I'm feeling jealous now, okay? Really, I'm feeling jealous. But I can't just go over there because a lot of people is unable to go to second chart. That's why I'm waiting here from 1 minute chart. Okay. I don't like this thing. I need the displacement. Just tap to this order block, then fall dramatically, brother. Do that. Make me the wizard. Until now, it listened to me perfectly. rejected from the constant cosmet, reject from the low. I would love to see after trading this order block, it will fall. The fall will be like boom, something like that. Just let's see if it can fall or not. If that things doesn't happen, I'm not gonna touch the market. Simple logic, brother. So it has traded the order block, now it should fall. That's all. If it keep going higher, I'm not gonna touch it. As I told you, I'm just not going to touch it. Whether is it valid yet? Yeah, it's validated. Let me check the mean threshold of that order block. Okay, this is the mean threshold. Body didn't close above the mean threshold. Cool. I need the displacement. Why you are wasting time, brother? You know, my girl is not listening to me sometimes. By the way, guys, did I get some likes today? I can see near about 233 people are watching. Make sure that you have given me at least 150 likes. Okay, it's going higher. If it keep going higher, I'm not gonna touch that market. Simple. Need more displacement. More. Little more, little more, little more, little more. It doesn't listen to me, okay? I'm sorry, okay? I got the market structure shift. All I need, a fair value gap over here. That's all I need. That doesn't mean I'm gonna push my button. No, I need a fair value gap over here because this is the first time market is making the 22 IT model. I just can't push my button after getting the market structure shift. So I need the fair value gap over here. If no fair value gap, I'm not gonna touch that market. That's for sure. So it didn't made any fair value gap so far. We will see. And I'm also not hurried to take that entry as well. That means even if it fall, I'm not interested. If I don't see anything good or perfect, I'm not interested to take that up because my expectation is market is going to take this sales and liquidity. I have a lot of time, and I know how to trade this market. Simple logic. I know the simple logic how to trade this market. So I'm just not going to force the market to give me the setup over there. Instead of that, I will wait. I'll just wait, okay? But if it starts to keep going higher, I'm not interested to push the button, but actually I can push the button. That is called something immediate, change the direction. You can see it has taken this liquidity. I am seeing this as a liquidity taken now. Liquidity taken has done. Depending on the narrative, there is my market structure shift. Buy setup is more obvious to me. This is the market structure shift over there. Buy setup is more obvious to me. Yep. Every PDI has broken. Market should not reach around that area. In my opinion, this buy setup is more obvious now. So let's see if it can make a bull setup over there or not. If I push my button over here for the bull run, that means I am going to go against my direction, against my analysis, against my everything. If I go for the bull run over here, I'm going in, I mean, against of everything. So it's gonna be a very difficult situation for me. But yeah, I will go for that actually. So my try stop loss will be there. It's gonna be very small stop loss. A very small stop loss. Okay. My target is going to be here. Again, remember this is actually forcing market and I'm just forcing the market against my expectation. Why suddenly I changed my bias? Because Wednesday I know how it works. I know Wednesday works like this way. If it is bullish, it will make some 1 week liquidity, take the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, boom. It will do the same thing like here, 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 boom. So I'm going against all of my price action just because of this narrative. Okay. Why didn't it take me? So for this entry fair value gap constant encroachment is holding the price. I'm telling you again, I am just forcing the market. My stop loss is just 10 handle, just 10 handle. So I will switch my chart or bias immediately if I get stopped out over here. I'll just immediately switch my bias if I get stopped out, because then I will see this is the reaction. So I'm already in the market. My stop loss is over here and my target is over there. Just covered that fair value gap. If I got stopped out, I will just switch my bias. If it go below this low, I will switch my bias and I will take sell. Immediately I will take sell. If it just go below this low and if it keep going higher, I'm not gonna touch it because I got stopped out. It should not go below that low which has made this fair value gap. Here I will see this is the liquidity taken around that area, this would be the market structure shift and I will change my bias immediately because I went over there against my price action. Everything I read just depend on that narrative. It has been rejected from the constant enforcement one more time. It has taken all the liquidity. So all I just need to see that if it can fall below this low, it will tap one tick below that low, I'm already in the market. Just one tick below that one. My logic is market has rejected from the constant encroachment of that entry fair value gap, failed to tap over there. So if it can go just one tick below that low, I will get my market structure shift. That's gonna be valid market structure shift. I am going to be in that market and market is now it will start to fall. That is my belief. It is going to be my perfect setup. If it doesn't work, I will say a perfect setup just didn't work. So this is the perfect setup. The previous one, I was just forcing the market. As I told, I went against my bias, against my everything. Just read the narrative. Just read the narrative. So I'm already in the market. My stop loss is covering the breakaway gap 50%. Here, this is the breakaway gap. I'm just covering the breakaway gap 50%. Okay. Here, I got market structure shift. This is the breakaway gap. This is going to be my entry fair value gap over there. Entry fair value gap. If it come back again to this entry fair value gap, I will add more. At the same time, this is going to be my target over here. This is going to be my target. There. I'll just put it over there. Below that low, I will take a partial. Here, I will just take a partial over there around that area. I just need to take a partial. That's why I'm going to take that one. Here, I'm just going to mark this one. This is my stop loss. Covered the breakaway gap, constant encroachment. Just the breakaway gap, constant encroachment. Even if I just target over here, it's 32 handle. And don't forget about my 10 handle loss. Okay, I just took a loss of 10 handle. Don't forget about that. If I just closed my trade right now, it's 23 handle, 24 handle, 24 handle. If I just closed my trade right now, right over there, okay, I got the partial. That means I'm already profit. I'm in profit. How many handle? 32 handle. My loss was just 10 handle. So I'm already profit with 22 handle. With 22 handle, I'm going for here. My stop loss is going, sorry, my stop loss is going for the break even now. If I get stopped out right now, am I profitable? So guys, you have to understand this part. I told that I will catch that one for just 10 handle. I will love to take that 10 handle loss. Though I was going against all of my price action. Everything. I went for everything. Here, where it is going actually. There. At the same time, right now, price is inside that bullish fair gap. I don't want to see any kind of reaction from that bullish fair gap from 15-minute chart. I would love to see it will keep falling at least until that low. These lows. Okay, I could put it over here. I will just put it over here and that area. Okay. So 64 handle, not bad. I just covered the mohawk over there, just the mohawk. So I see my stop loss has also considered $115. Okay, it's near about six handle, near about six handle. $150 is also near about six handle. So my loss was just 10 handle. Even if I get stopped out over here, I'm going to cover my loss 6 handle over here just by that small break even. My trailing stop loss is 2 first. I do it actually because yeah, I agree that my trailing stop loss is too bad, but it helps me a lot. Okay, it's really helps me a lot. So yeah, I got stopped out over here. Am I profitable or am I a loser? Until that area. 32 handle and 6 handle, 38 handle. My loss was 10 handle, so 28 handle. Not bad. Didn't work. Perfect, no problem. I will wait a little more. I would love to see it can reach until the 75 will up or not. I know that you don't write down the boom. I know that because it didn't hit my target. But you will see that it's going to hit my target. I just trailed my stop loss 2 first. And it's logical to me. I love to work with logic. So I trailed my stop loss 2 first. I would love to see market will go through this parallel gap. This parallel gap should be broken. It should not support the price. That means market tap over there, then go back again to the entry parallel gap, then it fall. No, I'm not interested to see that. Instead of that, I would love to see if it tap over there, the way it tapped over there, it should now go through this parallel gap. It should not reach until this entry parallel gap. It should not go over there. Can it go over there? Absolutely, it can do that. But I don't want to see that. If it doesn't do that, that is called precision. Why I'm expecting like that? Because this bullish parallel gap is giving you the reaction, but that reaction is not reaching for some kind of level that it should be traded. This level should be traded. But if it is extremely jealous, if it is extremely heavy, then it should not fulfill its duty. The price should not fulfill its duty. What is its duty? Its duty is to reach at least until that entry parallel gap. But I'm not interested to see that market is going to fulfill its duty. Instead of that, it should go through this parallel over here. That is called precision. If it happens, I'll be very happy to see that. If it doesn't happen, I'm just cool with that. Partial boom. What was that, team? It's not partial boom actually. If you just see over here, the entry was over there, stop loss was over here, and if I could just target this last parallel around that area, that is a full trade, over here. It was a little lower actually. It was here. It was a full trade around that area. 32 handle. Some YouTubers are even they can take this 32 handle. They're very happy. Trust me, it's going to come at least until this lows. It's coming over here. Keep trusting me, brother. Keep trusting me. I'm not in the market. That doesn't mean market should not fall. Okay. If any of you took the buy, you are in a great danger, brother. You should not take the buy on that area. Yeah, I can see that market tap to this bullish parabolic from 15-minute chart, and maybe that is the reason you are looking for buy or something. Please don't do that. Don't do that. Market is going for the sell side liquidity. That is my belief. I'm believing that market is falling for that sell side liquidity. At the same time, if any of you are trading through your real money, please trade by yourself. I'm not gonna give you any direction. So I would love to see the price action over here a little more, and we will see how it reacts actually. I really don't want to see it will reach until that entry parallel. Can it reach until that area? Obviously it can do that, but I don't want to see that. That's all. Okay, it reached until the entry parallel. Let's wait a little more, because from 15-minute chart it's just sideways. Still no market didn't decide what is going to happen. It didn't decide that yet. Okay, so let's wait a little more time and look over here. It has this sell side liquidity now. There, this is the sell side liquidity. I'm going to remove this line. Over here the last parabolic hold the price and that area. Hold the price perfectly, send it back until that area. Perfect. It is going higher. Okay, let's see how far it can reach. I will start to look for another sell setup around that area, because market has given me another chance to take sell. So I'm interested to look for another sell over here. The market in London session reversed from very random level, so I think it may now take the buy side liquidity for 1 hour level, and then all the remaining sell side. Okay, hello bro, I believe that you missed the first part of my session. That's why you are telling that, because I have already explained that reversal. I have already explained how perfect that reversal was. Okay, so if you watch the first part of my stream, you will understand what happened over there. I'm just not bullish, I'm still bearish, and I'm believing that market is going to take this sell side liquidity. Even if it failed to take that sell side liquidity today, it will be very near to this sell side liquidity, and tomorrow it will be taken. I am loving to see that it will keep falling. I'm just loving to see that. I'll frame another sell setup when market will be below below the constant enforcement of that parabolic. I just can't push my button over here to that entry parabolic. The reason is market takes too long to reach to that entry parabolic. It takes too long. Okay, that's why I'm just unable to frame my trade from there. Instead of that, I have to wait to break this one. If you ask me, this is the perfect place where I should go to second chart, sub 1 minute chart. If I go to my sub 1 minute chart, I promise you, brother, I will find a good setup over there. Okay, but as you can't just go to your second chart, I'm not going to switch my chart. But if any of you are able to go to your second chart or sub 1 minute chart, from 15-second or 30-second chart, you will find a very nice sell setup around that area. Trust me. Actually, let me check. Okay, so over here, market has taken the buy side liquidity. This is the market structure sheet. So look at this market structure sheet. This is my entry again. Here, this is my entry. My stop loss is just covering this high, this parallel gap, and I'm going to target this parallel, this relatively equal low. See this relatively equal lows over there, around that area, around that area. Okay, this is going to be my target, and here my stop loss is too small. Just let me mark it. That doesn't mean that it is going to stop over here, but if you would love to hold your trade until that area, you have to take a partial over here. That should be your partial area. Okay, that has to be your partial area. Now I'm not interested to show you this, but as I told that you will find a perfect setup around that area. Just for confirming, I'm just showing you this. Okay, this is your market structure sheet over there. Over here, this is your parallel gap around that area. This is your parallel gap. You will take close approximately entry. You don't need to tap to this parallel gap, and it will keep falling. It will take this sell side liquidity. It will take. Okay, I'm just unable to go on to the extreme sell side liquidity. Here, you are already in profit. You should believe that market is coming for this sell side liquidity. Okay, here, this one. You have already taken the liquidity. I mean, it's partial. Your stop loss should be here now, around that area. That should be your stop loss. I'll be in 1 minute chart again. What is the reason for taking the partial? Partial is making sure that you are in profit. So partial is helping you to make you more profitable. Partial always pay. Partial always pay. Okay. Click and do it. It's gonna be educational for us too. Go for 15 seconds. Okay, I went over there. We can't afford less than 1 minute charts. Lol. Yeah, that's why I didn't want to tell you the 15-second chart, but as I told that there must be a setup. That's why I just show you that. Okay, so don't get panic. Don't worry. I'll be here in 1 minute chart, and I will try to see if there is another opportunity to take sell or not. So for this is the order block from 1 minute chart. This is the order block. Okay. All I need to see a body close below the constant encroachment of that parallel gap. That's all I need to see. If any of you are looking for buy, I will ask you, please don't do that. Please don't do that. But if you're trading through your real money, you're free to go, brother. I'm not gonna give you any kind of suggestion. It's your job, what you are going to do. Show your history, please. Seninha. Why do you need my history, brother? I'm not a trader. I don't have any history. I'm here to time pass with my friends, only for passing the time. I would love to see first body will close below this constant encroachment of that parallel gap. Until body close below this constant encroachment, any kind of sell is not valid. Okay, so make sure that you understand that fact. This is the bullish parallel gap that should be broken first. Now here I don't have the time to wait until the parallel gap close. Instead of that, I have the wait to see that market will close below this constant encroachment of that parallel gap. Okay, that's all I need to see. This market structure shift is not valid because it didn't make any parallel gap over here. Can I take a sell from there? Yeah, absolutely, I can take a sell from there depending on that break order block. If I take a sell around that area to that order block over there, my stop loss is going to be huge. So let me show you that. To that order block, stop loss is going to be there. Oh, it's not huge actually. It's not huge actually. Okay, so if I get another opportunity, I'll be in the market again. If I get, okay, I don't know it is going to give me that or not. I'm forcing market a little bit because it didn't close below the consonant crossment, as I know that market is going to do that. It didn't take me just 1300, not bad. And here, okay. But I will take a partial when market will be maybe below this travel gap. Yeah, until there. I'll just take a partial over here. 2000, not bad. $1300 stop loss is nothing. It's nothing. Is it going to punish me? I don't know. It should not punish me, okay? But if it punish me, I'll cry. I'll start to cry. I will start to cry, okay? Max trade. I'm bullish. Let's go, brother. Let's go. I'm not here to give you the signal. I'm here just to explain my understanding about the price action. I can be wrong. I'm not losing proof, okay? So don't think that every entry is gonna be the winning trade. But here, my strong opinion is you should not look for buy. You should look for sell only. Brother, you are going to be stopped out. Okay? I can be stopped out because my stop loss is too tight. I would love to see this is the fake breakout. That means one candle closed above the main threshold. The very next candle will close below the main threshold. I would love to see that. Otherwise, I am in a great danger. Now, of course, it can reach until the breakaway gap, but I am just unable to move my reason is this word. I took that entry depending on that word or block. So I have to believe that market is respecting that word or block. I can't just move my stop loss too far. Instead of that, I'll be stopped out over here and I'll try to find another sell setup. If I get it, I'm cool. If I don't get it, I'll just wait for another better price action. So if it can hold the price or not, we will see. Otherwise, I'll just keep waiting for the trade. It reached until the gap. Perfect. I need to see a body close below the entry favorable gap. All I need to see a body close below the entry favorable gap. That's all I need. If I get it, I'll be in the market again. If I don't get it, I will not touch the market. Keep going here. I'll let him go. It's extremely bearish to me. Okay. Still now it's extremely bearish to me. If the breakaway gap is broken, then I'm not gonna interested to sell again below the entry fair value gap. If the breakaway gap is broken, because that is the last fair value gap from 1 minute chart, which should hold the price. If it is broken, I'm not interested to take sell below the entry fair value gap. And this is going to the last entry for today. And all I need to see if it can close below that entry fair value gap. Cover the mean CE of that breakaway gap. I should put it above this high. I'm just not interested, but just a little more above that constant investment. Here, that is going to be my target. That's going to be my next entry. If it doesn't work, I'm just done for today because it's not clear to me. I am not interested to getting stopped out. It closed below this entry fair value gap. I'm believing that market is falling again one more time. So I'm already in the market again. My stop loss just covered the 50% of that breakaway gap, the first entry. Okay, it covered the 50% of that breakaway gap. I put it little higher of that constant investment of the breakaway gap. Here, this low is my target, which has market built that sell side liquidity. This is the origin setup. The high is not taken yet. I'm believing that market is going to fall again. This is how I actually trade. If it doesn't work, I'm just done. 13 handle, 12 handle. That means 25 handle I'm going to take loss. In my last trade, I had 32 handle profit. So I got stop profit. 32 handle profit. I have only 5 handle profit. I'm done for that. How did you know that, bro? How did you know that, bro? Just let me know that. I would love to know that. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet. And yeah, just last word. I'm not expecting higher run until this buy sell liquidity at this fair value gap is not broken. No buy setup is valid for me. I am bearish. I'm going to think that market is going to take that on. Your trading is showing it. Okay, I'm just going to be stop and just keep quiet. Let's I thought it was good to read the comment for today. Okay, let's stop reading the chat. Instead of that, let me read the price by myself. Okay, so guys, right now over here, I don't care about anything else, nothing else, no bullish for me. Okay, just let me remove everything around that area. No bull setup is valid for me. Right now, market tapped to this last fair value gap, reached until this 1 hour entry fair value gap. It has taken some buy side liquidity over there, fair value gap. If it fall again, market is going to take this whole sell side liquidity. Until this, I'm not bullish. I am not going to look for any buy setup. The buy setup will be valid if and only if market can close above that high. So here I will keep looking for sell. This is my market structure shift again around that area. I don't care about anything else. I'm going for the sell. This is the perfect setup and it should work. There is nothing that can stop the price before falling. I will wait for a fair value gap over here or at least one more candle to create and go higher a little bit. When it will be little bit higher, I'll be in the market again because market is going to fall and I am just not interested to take buy. So here I'll be in the market again. My stop loss is going to cover the high which has made the fair value gap. I am going to target this 15-minute low at first, this low at first, then I will actually change it little bit. If it can make a fair value gap and then tap to this fair value gap, it's gonna be my pyramid entry. So let's see if it can make a fair value gap or not. That's gonna be the time for pyramiding the entry. I am not going to look for sell, buy. If any of you are looking for buy, I'm sorry for them, but I'm believing that market is going to fall because it should fall. By watching all of this price action, it should fall. So I'm only interested to look for sell. Here, this setup is the perfect setup. According to my analysis, this is the perfect setup. Just the perfect, very perfect setup. If this perfect setup doesn't work, I will say I'm just done for today. So it will, if it tap to this fair value gap, I'll add one more trade and one more contract over there. If it just tap over there, so let me actually put the limit order around that area here. Okay, then I'm going to take the partial around that area. So this is going to be my partial around that area, and this is going to be my target. And I added one more. This is my perfect setup. So let me put it little above here around that area. This should hold the price. Market should fall. There is no other way except this thing. Now if it doesn't work, I would say perfect setup didn't work, market is in consolidation mode. I'm not gonna trade anymore around the morning session because from so far from 15-minute chart it's not so clean. 15-minute chart, it's the sideways candle, is not respecting anything. So I'm just not going to touch this market with a lot of losses. I'm gonna stop trading for this, at least for this morning session. So this should work perfectly. It should fall now. My stop loss is little tight, but if you ask me where should be my stop loss, I will just put it around that area here. That should be my stop loss, but it's too far. I'm not going to hold it until that area. Instead of that, I will put it over there. If I get stopped out, I'm just done for trading around this morning session. I will come back around the PM session and I will just try to trade around that time. Here it should fall now with speed. If it doesn't do that, that means it's in a consolidation mode right now, because so far it's the sideways candle. 1 2 3 4, this is the fourth number candle which is in sideways. So if it doesn't work, this is sideways and the consolidation mode. I'm just gonna be done with the trading around the morning session. I would love to see this candle will go through this fair value gap. Don't want to see that it will use this fair value gap as an inversion fair value gap. I don't want to see that. It should keep going through this fair value gap. Why it has reached until that area? Because this is the breakaway gap inside this real setup from 22 IT model. This is that breakaway gap. Though it worked with the upper portion of this fair value gap, but I believe that it reached until that area to fully closed that breakaway gap, so that next time market doesn't need to reach until that last fair value gap. So that's why it has closed that fair value gap perfectly. Now it should fall and it should go through this fair value gap. If it doesn't work, I will not interested to trade in this market. I won't touch this market. Simple. My stop loss should be there, so focus over here, this one, because that is important. I put it over there because of the precision. I don't want to see that market will close above that high, which has actually the real fair value gap created. So this candle has created this fair value gap, so I put my stop loss above that candle, and I'm going to believe that it's not going to that high. Instead of that, it's going to fall. So far it's not looking so good because it is supporting this fair value gap. I'm not feeling confident right now. This market, I'm just not feeling so confident. Here, that was the first time where I had the opportunity. Here I'm just trying to catch the re-entry around that area. The only reason is this is too late to reach until that area. So here, this is not even the breakaway gap. This is now working as a last fair value gap. So I'm actually trading through the last fair value gap over there from 1 minute chart. From 15-minute chart, I am seeing that market has tapped to this bullish fair value gap. The reaction sent the price until that area, and after trading that area, market should keep falling. That's all. I'll put my stop loss little lower now, and that area just covered that constant crossment. But remember, this should be the stop loss. So just keep that in your mind. That should be the stop loss. I have a very bad habit of trailing stop loss. I'm just doing that the way I actually do. If I get stopped out, I'll be done. Simple. It should work as a order block. That means this order block should hold the price, send it back below this parabolic gap. That means body should close below this parabolic gap. This order block is the perfect order block that should not be violated. Should not be violated. When market will close below this low, then this is going to be your real order block. Over here, this is a small order block. If you go to your second chart, you will see how beautiful the order block over there it is. Okay, so yeah, if the market closed below this parabolic gap, I'll be very happy to see that. If it failed to close below this parabolic gap, it's not a good sign to me. I would love to see market will close below this parabolic gap, at least below the constant encroachment of that parabolic gap. Okay, it has closed below the constant encroachment. I'm happy to see that. Now it should keep falling. That means speed. I am expecting speed now. The speed should send the price until this low. This low is important low. Why? Because this was that bullish parabolic gap which has tapped to this bullish parabolic gap and went higher. Remember, that should be your stop loss. Until now, that should be your stop loss. I am going to put it over here, but you should not move it over here. The way I trail my stop loss is little different. I don't want you to see the way I'm trailing my stop loss. I'm working with my precision. I'm just covering this order block because this is going to be the real order block right now. Maybe this is the consecutive order block. It will depend how this candle will close. If it closes below this line, then it's gonna be the consecutive order block. I have to cover the mean threshold of that order block. That's all I need. Just mean threshold order block. So here, this is the order block. I don't need that one. This is the order block, and the opening of this order block is over here. So this is the opening of order block. Both of this level is important. I'm going to remove that one, and I would love to mark the 50% of that order block. So here, this is the 50% of that order block. That is the mean threshold. That means market can reach until that mean threshold. Just remember that below this parabolic gap is the mean threshold. Below that parabolic gap is the mean threshold. I want to see that one body close below this low. One body close below this low. If it can do that, then I will put my stop loss just above the mean threshold of that breaker block, order block. The low of this parabolic gap is going to be the order block. I will put my stop loss just above the low of this one, but still now you should have the stop loss should be there. You can't move the stop loss from there until it takes the partial over there. Here, this parabolic gap is important for me right now because this time it should not react from there. So previously it has been reacted from the constant encroachment, went higher perfectly. This time it should not be reacted from the low of this parabolic gap. You are seeing this constant encroachment rejection. I'm not worrying about that because it can happen. The rejection from the constant encroachment can happen to make the liquidity and later take the liquidity. All I don't want to see the reaction from the low of this last parabolic gap, of that parabolic gap, the reaction from the low, because if it started to react from the low, I will put my stop loss to the break even because it's gonna hold the price. Okay, so something like constant encroachment rejection, lower part rejection. Here constant encroachment rejection has done. It should not react from the low. It should keep falling. Obviously it can spend little more time over here after taking this relatively equal lows, a very nice double bottom. Okay, so the retail traders seeing this a double bottom and they are going to think that market is going higher, so it should keep falling. I would love to see a body close below this low, otherwise I'll be stopped out over here. I just can't put it over here right now. I have to cover the mean threshold of this area and also this entry parabolic, this parabolic gap from there. Okay, if body can close below this line, body has to close below that line. If it is closed below this parabolic gap, that is more perfect. Then I will put my stop loss little lower. So first I have to watch how this candle is going to work. At the same time, you know, the fake breakout, it can be the fake breakout as well. I'm sorry Buru, actually I shouldn't read the chat as well. I mean, yeah, it's true that when people are just telling me that market is going higher, I was distracted. I'm sorry for that, but thank you for reminding me that. It closed below this line, it closed below this parabolic gap. Market should not go above this constant encroachment one more time. So I'm safe to place my stop loss over there to the break even. I'm safe because market should not close above that constant encroachment to that specific fair value gap. This last fair value gap should now hold the price. Even if it is overzealous, it can go little higher, but body has to close at the level of this constant encroachment. Your stop loss should be there until now. Why? Because until this liquidity is not taken, the partial is not taken, you can't just move your stop loss. You just can't do that. Okay, then why you are trailing your stop loss? The reason is I love the precision of the perfect price action. That's why I move the stop loss, and I'm telling you why I'm moving the stop loss. What market should do right now? It should not close above the constant encroachment of that fair value gap. If it do that, that means I'm wrong. Maybe I'll be stopped out to the break even, but I'm not worrying about that. I love that things. I mean precision, and I work with the precision. So far, this is the fake breakout. That means one candle closed below this fair value gap. The very next candle closed above inside this fair value gap at the same time above this low. See this line above that line as well. So far it's the fake breakout. I want to see another candle close below this line, below this fair value gap. That is extremely important. That will confirm that this last fair value gap is broken and market is actually falling. If it doesn't work like that way, I'll be stopped out over here. Now if I just close my trade around that area, it's still 32 handle. Even for some of you, if you take just one contract entry, it's near about $650 profit. Okay, here my target is 7700. Now I don't go for that type of huge thing, but I am going for that to prove you that how this Wednesday work. Why I'm not interested to look for buy, I'm only interested to look for sell. So far this low is broken. This low has broken already by that closing of that candle, but this fair value gap is not broken yet. Okay, this fair value gap is not broken yet because market didn't close below this fair value gap. It didn't close over there. Your stop loss should be there until now. Now what you can do, you can actually put it over here, at least below that area. You can put over there to just minimize your loss, little loss over there, 13 handle, something like that. I'm not interested to catch that risk. The reason is here, if the precision doesn't work, it can be the consolidated market. I don't want to be the part of that consolidation. Instead of that, I will be stopped out and I will try to take re-entry. That's my style to trade. Okay, I love to take the re-entry. I just don't change my bias, but rather you changed your bias over there. When I took that buy, I told that I'm just going against all of my price action. So if I see I got stopped out, I'll be in the market immediately for the sell. So here I changed my bias because the first entry was against my price action, and I took that entry only because for the narrative. Now it didn't work that way. Instead of that, it has been rejected from the constant encroachment, perfectly went lower, come back again to the last fair value gap, not the setup entry. It came until this last fair value gap, then made this market structure shift. This is the fair value gap. It was overzealous. It reached until the order block over there, and then market is falling. I just covered my stop loss above that high because this candle has made the fair value gap, so it should not reach until that area. I would love to see this candle will close below this fair value gap. If it can do that, I will trail my stop loss too fast and I will put it above that high. If it can close below this fair value gap, still now this fair value gap is holding the price. Nobody, this is the fake breakout. Still now this is the fake breakout. Okay, so it can hold the price, send it back higher again. Your stop loss should be there. You can't put a stop loss to the break even right now. If you want to go with the logic ICT taught us, that is the logic. I have a very bad habit of trailing stop loss, so I actually go with the price action. If it can close below this fair value gap, at the same time I would love to see that it will close below this low, actually below that low. If it can do that, I'll put my stop loss above that high. Okay, until then I'm not interested to move my stop loss from the break even. If I close my trade right now, I'll be more than profit. Okay, more than profit. I mean, whatever is my loss was by that to trade, 25 handle loss, right? It's already 22 handle, 21 handle, you can see over there, 22 handle, 21 handle, 22 handle, something like that. Still, if I closed it, I'm already in profit. But I will show you how to hold the trade for longer term. Here it should close below this low. If it closed below this low, I'll put my stop loss above that high. It should not spend time over here. It should fall with speed because it has done its job over there. The consolidated crossment rejection has done already. Everything has done. It should keep falling now with speed. Now, if when it has taken this low and if it failed to close below this low, I'm in rush and I'm gonna put my stop loss over there. I'm in rush. Why? Because it has taken the liquidity over here. Now it can spend more time over here. It can spend, it can go higher here again one more time. I don't want to stay in that type of situation. So I just don't need to hold the trade. Instead of that, I'll put my stop loss over there. If I get stopped out, I'm okay. This low is really so important. Why that low is important? Because this was the first low when market came here. All the retail traders, they got deceived by that low, seeing the buy. So this low is my real resistance. That's why it was important to see that body close below this low. Here, this is the second low, which is trading this week. Though it didn't trade the 50% of that week, but this week is important. So yeah, in my opinion, this low is also important. So body should close below that low. If it can close below that low, my stop loss will be above that high. Above that high. If it take the partial, your stop loss will be to the break even. If it can take the partial, your stop loss will be to the break even. So far, you can see it's 41 handle. You can see over there, okay, it's near about 41. It was near about 41 handle. Is that enough for being profitable? Is that enough for being profitable? It closed below this line, so I'm going to put my stop loss above that high because market should not reach until that high. That high is valid for shifting market structure. I don't want to see that market is going to reverse and it is going above that swing high one more time. So my stop loss is safe over there after taking the partial. Why it is the partial? This low and that low, they are relatively equal lows. Okay, look over here, they are relatively equal lows. So you have to take the partial around that. So you took the partial. Now your stop loss, sorry, it should be there. Your stop loss should be here to the break even. See this line, this should be your stop loss. And I'm going to move this stop loss, my stop loss. Why? Because market doesn't need to reach until that area. All I'm expecting an unfilled fair value gap over here. That's all I'm expecting. I need a fair value gap that should be unfilled. Okay, just unfilled fair value gap. Whoever took the buy, I'm sorry because you didn't understand the whole price action I was talking about. The way I explained, you just forced the market and you actually made me also, I don't know what to say. Thanks, Buro, because if you wouldn't say, I would keep doing that. Okay, I would keep doing that, and today's whole session is going to be very mess, to be honest. So I would love to close my trade over here, but market is actually coming here. Don't forget this line, market is coming here. But if I closed my trade over there with 78 handle, is it good? 63 handle, 65 handle, something like, okay, let me just take another buy, another close, another, just let it go. I'll just put little above, okay, above that thing, just little above, or maybe one handle above. See, I just put it over there, little above, and I'm going to trail my stop loss to first now. Covered that fair value gap, just covered that fair value gap. I can be stopped out, but I want to see this will be unfilled. I would love to see this is going to be the unfilled fair value gap. Okay, so my stop loss just covered that fair value gap. That is my unfilled fair value gap. Even if I get stopped out over here, it's still 43 handle. Okay, where should be your stop loss? You see this stop loss, that should be here now. If you are in this trade, your stop loss should be there now. I'm showing you the way you should trail your stop loss, and I am doing my own with the price action I read. I love the precision. Right now market is not so precise, but still I am expecting the precision from the market. So this fair value gap should be unfilled. I don't want to see that market closed that fair value gap 100%. So that's why my stop loss is safe above that fair value gap. If I'm wrong, I'll be stopped out over there. I'm not going to cry for that. If I'm wrong, I'll be stopped out over here because market didn't give me the precision. So yeah, that's how I trade. It came very near to this low and that area, but I believe that market is going through this last parabolic. And don't think that even if I get a stop out over here, it's small. Look over here, it's near about 43 handle. Even if it is one handle, just one contract, it's near about $860, near about $860. Okay. I really don't want to see market will close that fair value gap. I want to see this should be unfilled. That's why my stop loss is over here. What I can do else, I can take another partial around in that area, limit by, okay, to that rejection block. That means if I'm wrong, market can tap to this rejection block one more time, then it can go higher. So I will try to catch little more profit over there. So if market give me the opportunity to give me the take the partial, I'll be happy to take that one. If it doesn't give me that, I'll be okay with that. Here I'm just going for that small line. See this small line, I'm going to take that risk by one more handle, one more contract. Okay, sorry, one more handle, not one more handle. It should be safety. Okay, this is safety because this rejection block can hold the price, send it back again for this last parabolic from one mid chart. It can do that. So that's why your stop loss is over here, because you are safe. Even if market reach until that area, you are safe. Already you have taken the partial has taken already. You are safe with some profit. Don't get panic. So tap to this unfilled area. Let's see if it fall from there after reaching some portion opened, or if it let me just stop me out. It closed that fair perfectly. If it stop me out over there, I'll be stopped out over here with with happiness. I got stopped out. I'm done with this price action. Here, some of you just have watched my video which is called FOMO. Some of you are thinking that you are going to stop out, something like that. I am not afraid to get stopped out over here. Instead of that, I would love to catch the whole run. That should be your stop loss. Remember, that should be your stop loss. We will see if you get stopped out or not, or if market actually take that low. Okay. Right now, what I'm just thinking that market is not going to go little higher. I'm not interested to see that. I really would love to see that it will keep falling. It's not going to make a bullish fair value gap over there from one mid chart. I don't want to see a bullish fair value gap over there. So far it has made this bullish fair value gap. I don't want to see that. If it make that bullish fair value gap, it's gonna be a little hard price action for me, and I'm not gonna interested to participate in that price action anymore. For you, I don't know. It reached until that area, 72 handle. Now if you come over here, remember these lows. When I target that entry, I talked about these lows. What was that? Relatively equal lows. What else do you have? Now you can say, brother, why didn't you close it over there? I didn't close it. The reason is I was trying to catch the whole run. What is that, brother? Is that random? Just let me know that. Is that random? It has taken that clean sales and liquidity, tap to this last fair value gap. Now if you just target that relatively equal lows over there, yep, it's 67 handle. Okay, not bad. So you remember your stop loss is over here still. Your stop loss is over here. It has made this bullish fair value gap. We will see how it reacts. Can I open my chart right now because it's 11:18? I am not interested to talk about the price action anymore. I'm done. Okay, I'm just done with the price action. Uh, so even if it now went higher and make all of you guys right, I don't care anymore because I was expecting the fall. I got my fall, and that was obviously a clean fall, a very nice fall. Even if you don't agree with me, I don't care because in my opinion that was a clean fall from the last fair value gap. Hold the price. Market never reach to that fair value gap because market should not reach over there because that is the at the level of the liquidity. Okay, this is at the level of the liquidity. It has been rejected from the constant crossment, perfectly rejected from there. If you look from 15-minute chart, let me remove everything over there. If you see the price action from 15-minute chart, you will see market never even closed inside that entry fair value gap from hourly chart. It tapped to this hourly fair value gap, it went lower. Some of you are thinking that market is going higher again. No, it's not going higher. It is trading this order block over there. This is the order block from 15-minute chart so far. The low and the opening, yeah, it can reach until that two line, any of those line, then it will fall again. That is my flip, and it is going for this sell side liquidity. So I'm just not interested to talk about the price trend. And at the same time, your stop loss is over here, so you are still safe. Remember, your stop loss is over there, so you are still safe about your stop loss. But it is what it is. I mean, this is how I actually trade. So I think that I can open my chat right now, okay? Because for today, um, I'm just done. Every single time market is going higher, I'm seeing that just a reaction. That was the reaction. Here, this is also the reaction from 1 minute last fair value gap after taking this liquidity. 1 minute last fair value gap reaction sent the price maybe until this order block, maybe the min threshold, maybe anywhere, any type of level. I'm not looking for buy until market close above that fair value gap. Okay, so until market close above that fair value gap, I'm just not looking for buy. I will keep looking for sell. Now, guys, I'm really sorry. I should not read the chat because when I read the chat, I mean, something happened to me. I don't know. I feel so challenging, something like that, and then I do something very bad. I should not read the chat. By the way, before opening the chat, I would love to explain this whole price action. I was intended to talk about that, so I'm going to remove this wall. So this is all I don't need. I would love to talk about this price action, okay, a little bit, because in my Twitter I told that this one screenshot is going to teach you more than 100,000 $100,000, okay, something like that. So while you can see market has made this relatively equal lows over there, then that was the breaker block, low, high, lower low, the breaker block over there. If you don't want to the breaker block, no worries. After taking the liquidity, market structure shift, price trade this fair value gap, not the entry fair value gap because of the opening gap, but either way it has traded that fair value gap. Boom, market went higher. When market went higher from 15-minute chart, you know that market is going for that buy side liquidity. See this buy side liquidity. You are expecting that market is going to take that buy side liquidity. Now I'm just showing you from 15-minute chart every buying opportunity where I will tell you that now you should go to your 1 minute chart and you should look for the buying opportunity. You will just compare your thinking with that one. By the way, guys, at the same time, I don't know how many people are watching right now. Make sure that you have given me the likes. Okay, if it is more than 200 people, make sure that you have given me at least 180 likes. Please do that. Okay, it's a request to all of you. And if any of the moderator is over there, make sure that you keep reminding the people. Oh, by the way, before that, I would love to show you this, and then I will actually talk about that one. This is the Apex, and if any of you are interested for the discount, then you can see this is the discount. Trader weight 25k, 50k, 75k, 100k is for that price, and Rhythmic platform 25, 50, 75, 100k is for that price. The discount code is NLCKHFMI. You will get that discount code to the top of my screen. And 150k, 250k, 300k accounts are only for $40. The lifetime price platform is just for $85. Any kind of reset is just for $35. Okay, you can take a screenshot. So this 80% off, you can get it if you are a trader from the Apex. So you can get it from by clicking the link on the description and by using that discount code. I'll be benefited if you do that. So it's up to you. At the same time, on the top of this screen, you will see the Bluenox. Over there, there is kind of 90% discount. That discount is valid until 30 of this month. Okay, so after 30 of this month, it's not going to be validated. So that's all, all the advertisement. Sorry for that mistake. I mean that time wasting. Market came here, went higher, this breaker block. When it tapped to this breaker block, if you are in the session, you will start to look for a buy from there, from 1 minute chart. After that, market went higher. This is the order block. Now this is different type of order block. My members, they know actually what is that order block, because I explained that one yesterday in my member, and I really don't want to talk about this one because this is little different with ICT. I don't want to do the rebranding things because I don't want to take the blame from you guys. Okay, so here when market is going higher, I don't care. I really don't care when market is going higher. I'll just let everything go. Remember the last fair value gap over there. Until that last fair value gap is not broken, I'm not looking for buy. So after that, market went lower, went higher. There is, these candles are some kind of, it's not propulsion block, it's also the order block. These two candles, it is also different. I explained yesterday, but this is all outside of ICT. That is why I'm not interested to explain that one. Instead of that, I would love to show you the one who is ICT explained. So this down close body close candle is the lowest down close body close candle, is your order block. You see, you just mark the order block, write it down. This candle validate that order block, this candle. Then market never trade that order block. Look, this order block never traded until here. It has traded the order block high. No, look, the high also didn't trade around that area. So market failed to trade that order block. Something left open over there. Price come back again, trade that order block, then went higher one more time. When it went higher one more time around that area, I don't need the market structure shift around that area because I will be in the market already if I get that one, because that one is inside the another setup. But at the same time, you can see market came until this entry fair value gap over here. This is the last fair value gap. There is no other fair value gap to that specifically. Market tap to this entry fair value gap. You will be in the 1 minute chart again. You will start to look for buy again. I was in my live and I showed them how to look for the buy from there. Okay, I told them to look for the breaker block if you remember, and then my stream just suddenly closed. Okay, so after that, market went higher. This is the lowest down close body close candle, consecutive order block. Mark that consecutive order block. Tap to this consecutive order block, start to look for buy again from if you are in session. Now it is outside of the session, but I will keep showing you the precision until this buy side liquidity, how market went. It has taken some liquidity, relatively equal lows, this low and that low. They're relatively equal lows around that area. So let me change the color. After taking this relatively equal lows, market displacement. Look at this displacement. Fair value gap, entry fair value gap, last fair value gap. Market tap to this entry fair value gap, where the body closed, perfectly went higher. Come back again. Where did it came? To the order block. Here, this is the London session. London session, okay? It tapped to this order block. I have already made the video. Look how beautifully, tick by tick, I started to look for buy from there. Why? Because this buy side liquidity is not taken yet. See this buy side liquidity over there? It's not taken yet over here. So I'm going to think that market is going to take that buy side liquidity and then it will make the buy side liquidity. Okay, it after taking that buy side liquidity, it will start to make the buy side liquidity. When it tapped to this order block, at the same time, this last fair value gap, this last fair value gap, inversion last fair value gap, tapped to the constant encroachment. I don't need that one. I will start to look for buy. I have uploaded that video to my Twitter as well. Then market went higher. How beautifully. What did it reach? To the constant encroachment of that high week. Is that valid? Absolutely, it is valid. I explained that thing in my live. Why it didn't tap to this last fair value gap? I explained that at the beginning of my live. So please watch that. This live, okay, not previous one. This live at the beginning I explained that one. Then market fall, reached until the 1 hour entry fair value gap, fall again, trade that order block, from 15-minute chart over here, this is the order block. It will keep falling. I believe that it will keep falling. So let me go to hourly chart one more time. So from hourly chart, what do you see over here? No, from hourly chart you don't have the order block yet, but all you can see, market has traded that fair value gap. At the same time, it has traded that inversion fair value gap. After trading that inversion fair value gap, it should keep falling until this sells a liquidity. So I'm bearish until this sells a liquidity if and only if market can close above that fair value gap from hourly chart. From hourly chart again, if and only if market can close above that hourly fair value gap, I will start to look for a buy until this buy side liquidity. At the same time, I have the buy side liquidity around that area, this high and that high. They are also relatively equal highs. So yeah, absolutely, I will just go for that buy side liquidity, but if and only if market close above that fair value gap. This is the last fair value gap from hourly chart. Why that is the last fair value gap from? I'm just marking the last fair value gap from hourly chart, because from 15-minute chart, look at this price action. Just look at these candles. Do you think it's clean? Very easy to mark, like the way I marked over here, then here, here. Is it like that, or is it too messy? In my opinion, that is too messy. So in my opinion, until this hourly last parallel gap is not broken, I can't look for buy. Instead of that, I will keep looking for sell. Over here, when it tapped to this area, it has taken the buy side liquidity. Remember how it trade in Monday? It will go lower, make some kind of buy side liquidity from 1 minute chart, take the buy side liquidity, market structure sheet, fair value gap, boom. Now I would love to show you that things from this whole price action. Okay, first market went higher until that area, then take the buy side liquidity, market structure sheet, fair value gap, boom. Then market made some kind of buy side liquidity here, some kind of little buy side liquidity. Okay, take that buy side liquidity, market structure sheet, fair value gap, boom. It has made some kind of relatively equal highs, take that relatively equal highs, market structure shift. There is no fair value gap actually. So I don't know what is the history happening over there. I need to watch the history first, then I will be able to be more precise around that area. It has taken the buy side liquidity, now it should fall again. What else do you see around that area? It has been rejected from that 1 minute fair value gap. That was the reaction from that 1 minute fair value gap. Where did it reach until? Why it reached until that area? Now over here, this is the 1 minute last fair value gap. Let me mark that one. If you don't ignore, if you want to ignore the hourly chart, after trading this one, you have to look for the highest up close body close candle. Okay, now here is two type of situation I actually look for, and the first situation is how the next candle close. But if you see over here, that one, that is your order block around that area. This is the propulsion block over here. So if you just mark that propulsion block around that area, and this is going to be your propulsion block, market tap to this 1 minute propulsion block. I'm already in the market. Again, market will keep falling. It will take this relatively equal lows. Finally, until this sells a liquidity, I'm bearish. I'm not going to be this whole move to the upper portion, whole move. I don't care. This move, I don't care. I will keep looking for sell. I'll just keep looking for sell. Simple. This is my logic. If this fair value gap is broken from hourly chart, then and only then I will start to look for buy. Until then, I will keep looking for sell. Every single time market will go higher, I will wait for a perfect market structure shift, fair value gap, trade, boom. I will just look for that one. So guys, I have just done about reading the price action, about explaining this price action. What happens if it keep going higher? What is going to be happen? What you are going to do? I will do nothing. I will just do nothing. Simple. Okay. I should not read the chat. Yeah, that's why I told Guru and the other guy Peter, Tamimi. I told you guys, when you see that I'm concentrating on chat, stop me over there. If I'm reading the price action and I'm reading the comment, please stop me over there. Just write them. Stop me over there. Otherwise, I will mess up with everything. Okay, my psychology about the chat is very bad. My chat psychology is extremely, really so bad. Okay. Okay, so I would love to open my chat now, but before that I will take a break for 2 minutes. Make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, you have given me the thumbs up. Okay, at least 150 likes. I am expecting at least 150 likes. So I will take a 2 minute break, then I'll start to read your comment. I'm sorry for that, but yeah, you guys are so stubborn. Okay, you don't listen to me. Instead of that, you keep pushing me against my bias, okay, against my everything. And for example, I was looking for sell. Now when you guys keep telling me that it is going higher, I'm going to take the buy, I'm going to take that buy, yeah, my psychology is really so bad, okay, about the chat. My psychology is really so bad. So when you keep telling that, I feel like challenge, okay, something like that, and then I messed up with everything. So please stop me over there. If you think that, or if you see that I'm engaging with the chat, please don't just stop me over there. I know that I will overcome this, but it will take time. So yeah, I will open the chat right now because I'm done with the price action. But before that, I would love to take a break for 2 minutes. Make sure that I got some subscriber and the likes. Okay, at least 180 likes. If it is more than 200 people, if it is more less than 200 people, then 160 is okay. Oh, by the way, guys, I actually would love to. I didn't want to do that, but I saw a chat actually. One guy was asking for my history actually. So yeah, this is the practice account. Okay, I have the express account as well, and okay, I actually closed it. I have over there. I have just $983 profit. Just this one. Okay, this is the express account. Then the practice account. You can see 161. Okay, I started with 150. Now it is $161 profit. I have this one. Just let me show you. Yeah, this one. I just what to say? I mean, um, blow. I mean, not blow. Actually, I just hit my balance. Okay, the reason I was in profit or near about some profit, then I stopped that because I just need an express account to keep that platform alive. That's why I just took intentional loss so that I can be able to get $19 offer until if something happened to my express account, because this is the 50k combine. I'm not good with the 50k combine, so I'm good with 150k. That's why I keep showing you the entry from 150k. If you see, just let me show you all the execution. Now it will be very messy. Okay, I just started with 150. Right now it's 161, and I'm doing the trading over here. You care about this practice account? I don't care about this practice account. I only care about this price action. Okay, I'm showing you the price action. That's all for me. Okay, I don't remember who was asking for that, the history of the account. Yeah, I'm showing you here with sometimes with this practice account, sometimes with the express account, but I am not interested to show you when and how when I'm using my express account, when I'm using my practice account, because it will it will be the invitation to copy my trade. Okay, if you know that I'm in my express account, you will start to copy my trade. So I don't want to do that. Instead of that, still I'm in profit over here. Okay, $161, and every single time I'm just going with two contract, maximum three contract, just two contract and maximum three contract. Okay, I don't know should I show it to you or not, but yeah, it feels like I don't know how crazy people you are. Okay, you are really so crazy. Every single day I just show you the things I keep doing. Even today, am I wrong? I was looking for sell. No, maybe market is not going to take that on. Maybe market is going higher and take the buy side liquidity right now. I don't care. I was bearish. I took the sell only. I don't care about the buy. My stop loss is too tight. That's why sometimes I get stopped out. What did I tell you? Don't copy my trade. Don't look at my trailing stop loss because it's too tight. If you work with the way you trade you manage your trade, you don't need to worry about your stop loss because it's going to fall. You know that because of the price action. Here, see this relatively equal loss. Remember, I marked that on, and the last parabolic gap. See the reaction from there. You don't need to hold until that area. So yep, I will just take a break for 2 minutes, and then I'll be back and I will read some of your comments. So the new viewers, you can leave now because I'm done giving copying, sorry, framing the trade. I'll just read the comment little bit and then I will close my session. Okay. Price action is done for today. Thank you guys for giving me that break. Okay, let me open the chat actually. Okay, so 132 people are watching and I got 154 likes. I got more likes than the people are watching right now. I'm happy. See this bull run, a lot of people start to think that market is going higher now. While I'm seeing that market is going to retrace some specific area, that 1 minute fair value gap is holding the price, send it back for retracing. Here I will look for the breaker block. The breaker block is should be high, low, higher, high, something like that. If I get the breaker block, I'll be happy to frame my trade. Over here, I don't need the market structure here or something like that. All I just need a breaker block. High, low, higher, high. See this lowest down close body close candle over here. Now it's not a perfect example of the breaker block. This is also the breaker block. Here, high, low, higher, high. This is also not a perfect breaker block. That's why I didn't frame any trade from there. Instead of that, I'm just watching to see if it can make any kind of breaker block around that area. I will wait for that breaker block and then maybe I will try to trade one more time. At the same time is important. It is already after 11:30. So here, this is 11:30 candle. Here, this is the 11:30 candle, that one. After 11:30, I'm really not interested to frame any other setup because it is very near for the lunch hour. Time distortion happens around that time. Most of the time market actually goes sideways around that time. That's why I don't try to frame any setup after 11:30. It's my choice. I actually do that. You can follow this because it's really helpful. Okay, all I need to take just one move over here. When I took that move, I'm done for this trade. For that day, I'm just done. Here, that was my entry. My stop loss was above there until this low, 34 handle. I'm just done. But brother, it's 1:1.4. It's very small. I can just simply put it over there and I could make it 1:3.5. But no, that's not logic. Over here, that is logic. You will put over a stop loss over there and you will just go for this area. If you are overzealous, you can put a target over there, but you have to take the partial around that area. Either way, 34 handle is more than enough. You don't believe me? No need to believe me, but it's more than enough. 20 handle, 25 to 40 handle, 25 to 40 handle around the New York session is more than enough. After that, I will start to look for here another setup from that last fair lookup. If I get any kind of market structure fair lookup, I will take that entry. Maybe I took that entry from that fair lookup, for example, just from there. Or after the market structure shift, I'm already in the market. I'll put my stop loss above that high. That is the logic. You have to put your stop loss above that high. But brother, you put your stop loss above this candle, because here, see this high. If market go above that high, there is more probability that market can go above that relatively equal highs. So I will just cover 3 handle over there, just 3 handle. Where is going to be my target? This relatively equal lows should be my target. I will take a partial around that area. So over here, 44 handle. Am I done? If I hold it until that area, am I done? Now you put it over there, brother. Why you did put it over there? Because I was expecting that market will keep going. I mean, it will go through this one. That's why I hold it until that area. I don't need it hold to that area. I don't do that. This relatively equal loss is more than enough for me because it is 69 handle. Just 69 handle. I even don't want to take that 69 handle. I want to take that simple, not that area below that low actually, because this low and that low, they're relatively close. I'm more than happy to get that 47 handle and I'm just done for that day. I don't need to frame any other trade, just nothing over here. I don't need to pour the market right now to give me another setup. What do you see? High, low, higher high. This is the lowest down close body close candle. If market can close below this candle, this is going to be my breaker block. Here, until now, this is my breaker block. If market can fall below this low, can close below that low, it's gonna be my breaker block. And I'm gonna believe that market is going to, I mean, this breaker block is going to hold the price, send it back below this relatively equal low. See this low and that low, these two low. It's a shallow run, which is called the obvious liquidity. I'm now expecting that market is going for that obvious liquidity because the last fair lookup hold the price. The reaction has done already. The reaction has done already from that last fair lookup. Next time when market will come to this last fair lookup, it should go through that and at least it should take that relatively equal loss. At the same time, you don't need to hold it until that area. You can take a partial to that rejection block. Just take a partial and let the rest go until the liquidity. I'm done with that. So if I keep trading, I can keep trading. Okay, I can do that. I really don't think that I have to take all the winning trade. I don't need to take that all winning trade. I know how much handle I'm going to lose. 12 handle, 13 handle, 25 handle, I took the loss. One trade is going to give me 47 handle. Simple, brother. It's very simple, okay? So what does it mean average down? What's the meaning? Okay, I'll wait until 12 because I would love to see around 12 what it has done around that area. So if the 1150 macro do something, I mean if it can frame any setup or not, I would love to see that. See this week, that week, is that important? That week 50%? No, it's not important. This week 50% is not important at all. What else do you know about the Wednesday? Market will make the liquidity, take the liquidity, lower market structure hit, parallel gap, boom. I'm also waiting for that type of situation. Here, this swing low is valid for shifting market structure. This swing low, it's valid for shifting market structure. Hello, no trade for me today. Too hard. It's little hard, brother, because market is not so volatile. Yeah, it's too hard. It's not too hard, but it's little hard today. Absolutely. But still, we can manage some trade if we are over jealous. By the way, guys, can you please subscribe to my channel? Make sure that you have subscribed to my channel if you are new to my channel. Okay, so 6,324 subscriber. Oh, and it's huge. Now, remember yesterday what did I say? This is a yesterday candle. I told that I want to see market will keep staying here in that area. It will be staying over that area because I'm expecting Nasdaq will go higher. Today, my expectation is market will go for that buy side liquidity. Why I was so confident about the fall of that Nasdaq? Because today is the time to go for that buy side liquidity for dollar index. Now today market will go for that buy side liquidity. Maybe it will fail to take that buy side liquidity. It can use tomorrow to take that buy side liquidity. So tomorrow will be bullish setup for me. Dollar index was bullish, so it was going for the buy side liquidity. Simple logic, brother. Now you maybe do avoid this price action, but if you watch my weekly analysis, I have already explained everything over there. Every single day before starting my stream, I see what happened around that area in dollar index. Yeah, I don't have the opportunity to open that dollar index right now because my laptop is booked by my sister. She has taken my laptop, the another one. Okay, so I'm just like one eye my I am just now one eye guy. Okay, I have just one eye right now, so that's why uh, I'm just not opening this uh, dollar index chart. Instead of that, I just take a look over here, then I started to frame my trade in Nasdaq. It is going for that buy sell liquidity, so it is bullish. Nasdaq should fall. Why you are looking for buy in Nasdaq? You should not look for buy. Good night, brother. See you soon. See you, brother. Battle. Six, 3, 2, 4. I need little more. Just little more. Little more. Market is going ripping through everything. Market is going for the buy side liquid. I don't care. I am just not care about that price action. Every single run toward the buy side liquidity, I'm just not interested to take that on. Simple logic, brother. I'm just not interested to do that. Can I do that? Yesterday I show that. I told that every sell setup I outlined, I told that you should avoid that sell setup. Instead of that, you should keep looking for buy. Today, every single time market is going higher, I'm going to avoid that buy run. Instead of that, I will just look for the sell run. I'm not interested for the buying. I'm interested only for selling because my price action is telling me that market should fall. It's sideways. You see, it's sideways. So far, it's sideways. So today's Wednesday is not trending day. Most of the Wednesday is actually the trending day. Trend is your friend. Today's Wednesday is not trending. Nothing is 100% confirmed in trading. So today's Wednesday is a little different. I don't need to participate in that area. I don't need to force the market too much. In my Express account, I just locked my, you can see account Express manually locked out. I just locked it because I don't need more entries. I don't need more entries. Just one trade is good. I'm done. I just don't need more entries. Can you do it? I can do it, but I don't want to break my psychology. I have made a psychological group in my Discord. They knows the rules. If I am saying anything against them, they please come out and tell me that no, you are wrong, brother. You told us to take a lot of entries and you are not taking a lot of entries. Instead of that, after taking one trade, you are just locking your account. No, I'm not telling you something I don't do. What I do, I told you to do that the same. So if you are overzealous, if you want to keep taking entry, that means you are a greedy person. Okay, so you are so greedy. You don't need to be greedy for being profitable. Just one trade, you are done for that day. So then now I have to send you my setup to get jealous. Wait, please do that, brother. Please do that. 153 people are watching. What is your Discord? Brother, it's actually not my Discord. It's a psychological group. Yeah, obviously in Discord, but there is some specific people. Okay, so if you are interested, then you have to send me the screenshot of the setup to my Twitter for 1 week every day. Then if I see that you are following some rules and you are not actually a gambler, I will add you over there. All you have to do, you have to send me the screenshot to my Twitter for 1 week. That's all. Bro, are you here, brother? Bro, if you are here, just let me know. I'm just watching the price action until 12, how it react actually, then I will close my session after 12, okay? By the way, guys, thanks for getting the membership. Yesterday I got near about 20 membership, I guess. Yeah, near about 20 membership now. How can I join your Discord? I have already told you that. You have to send me the screenshot of the setup when the setup will form. When the setup will form in the market, you have to outline everything why you are going to take that setup. So you have to mark everything. I would love to see why you are taking that entry, and then you have to take the screenshot before it's done. So here, if you take me the give me the screenshot after the trade is done, it's not validated. You have to take an screenshot before it's done. Okay, so when the setup will create, you have to give me the screenshot for 1 week every day. So that means 5 days in a row. If I see that you are not gambling, then absolutely I will add you. Okay, can I join membership if I live in USA? You see this last comment. Stream Elements has provided a link. If you just membership will be appreciated. Okay, that's the link. So click on that link, and then you will know you will be able to join me or not. Okay. B. Or can I send you the screenshot to my Twitter? B, you have to send me the screenshot to my Twitter, okay? Peter, you are here, brother, today? You are not there. I mean, Peter, Buro, Jack T, you are here. How was your session, bro? Not bad. What about you, brother? By the way, anyone else trading today? I mean, someone famous? I would love to know about their. Oh, Outlander, you are here. Okay, you are here. You are so quiet today. That's why I was confused. Why my brother is not? He's not doing any drama today. In your Twitter teams? Yeah, brother. In my Twitter. Hey, Zeddy, you are here as well. Thank you, Tamim, for providing the Twitter link. B, you can see the Twitter link. Absolutely, you have to send me the screenshot over there. Hey, Tai, thanks for the penguin, man. Green Day. I am almost every time in Green Day. Okay, I don't like the red. I really don't like it. Yeah, it's a little difficult, brother. To be honest, it's really little difficult today because Wednesday is the expansion day, but today's price action is so difficult. So yep, you should leave someday. Okay, in this type of situation, you should leave someday. I believe so. Here, Alhamdulillah. Okay, let me take care. I did some trading today. Traded your balls for some Wagyu beef steak. Fight house. I don't know what does it mean. If it means something good, thank you, man. If it is not good, please don't do that. Okay. Ketan Patel, watch it. What should I watch? I only take one trade, 2 RR. It's done. The price action. It's too hard for me. If it is a profitable trade, it should be done. You should not go for that second trade, brother. I'm showing you my Express account as well. I mean, here in my X account, I'm showing you my Express, and over there I showed you that I manually locked my what to say, I mean, account. So why you should not? You should it, okay? You should stop trading after getting a profitable trade. I'm late and will be late for 3 weeks. Have something else at the time of the openings. We'll try to catch you at the end of the stream. Okay, Jack T, best of luck of your job. I believe that you will do the best. You do the best trade teacher and live trader on YouTube ever. Thank you, brother. I'm just reading the comment because I'm just waiting for the 12th, and then I will actually close my stream for today. Thanks for the penguin, guys. Well, any of you are here is a member. If you are a member, give me some penguin, okay? Let me show some. Let me see some penguin, brother. A lot of people took the membership yesterday. To be honest, just let me show you. A lot of people, okay? On membership. Look at my members now. So many members I have. I'm a very small YouTuber. I'm a very small person of ICT concepts, but this is more than enough. Okay, I believe that it is called love. Thanks to all for showing me this love. I am really surprised by this, but thanks to all for showing me your love, man. Thanks to all. But like this guy, I don't know you, so please make sure that you sometimes you comment over there. Edgar, I know. Then this guy, I don't know you, brother. I know her. Here, I don't know you, brother. Tahir, I know you. Andy, I don't know you. Hope, I don't know you. MP, I don't know you. This guy. Jen, Juan, DJ, Netke, I know him. CNCR, I don't know them. Tim Williams, I don't know you. Martin, I know him very well because he is with me from very beginning of my YouTube journey, from the very beginning. Outcast, I know him little bit. I mean, I just saw his comment. Then Satish Kumar, also I don't know him. I saw his comment one time only. Then the rest I know actually. These guys, they're with me for so long now. You can see 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months. George for 7 months. He's the oldest one. But yeah. Okay. It reached until that 1 hour last fair value gap. Perfect, no problem. If market can close above that fair value gap, only then I will start to look for buy. Until then, I'm not interested to look for buy. All I'm seeing is that market has taken all the liquidity. All the liquidity has taken. And then market will fall again. I'll keep looking for that. What is the difference between the membership and you streaming on YouTube? No, I don't have any answer for that. Where is my membership? What you gonna give to me? I am also not a member of my channel. So when I did the membership session yesterday, the live yesterday, I was unable to join in that stream. Trust me, I was unable to join in that stream, yesterday's live stream. Okay, please stream London session. Oh brother, I don't have the time around that area, around the London session. Today I had the time, so I just took a quick trade. So I actually took the buy from there. That run, I caught that run from the very beginning over here from that area. That run, I uploaded that to my Twitter. I was here, I saw the entry here, I took that entry until that area. So I don't have the time to spend around that area. So that's why. Ketan Patel, lol. Okay, lots of love and thanks. I want to join membership, but my wife will yell at me. She thinks trading is a waste of time. Lol. You don't need to take the membership, brother. Make sure that your wife is not angry on you. Okay. So yeah. So it's already over 12, and I should close my session for right now. Today was not a good day, but today is also not a bad day for me. Okay. Now I don't know what to say. What you will guys tell me that you will see this is a buying opportunity to you. I don't see any setup over here. The buying opportunity, no buying opportunity for me. If I force the market, yeah, I can go for the breaker block, though it didn't work perfectly with that breaker block. Low, high, lower low. The lowest, the highest up close body close candle is going to be the breaker block, though it was not good breaker block. But either way, the buying setup is not obvious to me. Instead of that, the selling setup was clear to me, and I'm still bearish until this parallel gap is not broken from hourly chart. Okay, so yeah, I'm still bearish. I will keep looking for sell. Lunch hour is not good for trading. So yeah, that's all. Team happy wife means a happy life. I don't have the wife, so I don't know. Just get a new wife. Happy wife, happy queen. Okay, guys, do you have any question? I would love to read some comment. I don't feel good, okay, when I don't read your comment on the chat. I don't feel good, but when I keep reading your comment, some of you just do some childish things, and that's really so something like, for example, I'm looking for sell. I'm telling that I'm looking for sell, but you guys start to talk. Okay, I'm not going for buy. This is a nice buy setup. You keep telling that, okay, and I have a very bad habit, bad psychology about the chat. I get panic over there, and I feel like so angry over there. I messed up with everything. So please don't do that. If I tell you that I'm looking for sell, if you are looking for buy, do it by yourself. Don't need to let me know that. Okay, please don't do that. If you don't do that, I will keep reading your comment. There's nothing wrong to read your comment. But when you actually start to talk like that way, this is why ICT actually, when ICT do his live streaming, you can't comment over there. This is the reason. Now I can understand why he do the comment less live, because you guys are just, I don't know what to say. Some of you are really so act like so childish. Sometimes I feel like you guys are here to tell me I should go for buy now or I should go for sell now. I know what I'm doing. I know how to catch that buy run. I'm not interested to show you that. Instead of that, I would love to only show you why you should look for sell. At the end of the day, you will be profitable if you just follow whatever I'm telling you there. You will be profitable. Trust me, brother. I'd really love to communicate with you guys. I feel like I'm very alone when I don't read your comment. I feel like I'm really so alone. Okay, that's why I keep telling your. Uh, I want to read your comment, but you guys are so stubborn to make me angry, to make me distracted. Stop reading comments. Who cares? WC, yeah, welcome. Thank you, brother. Who cares? Absolutely. Where do you live, brother? I live in Bangladesh, brother. It's been 3 months. I'm planning to go to Portugal because of a job. I'm still in Bangladesh. So when I'll be in Portugal, maybe I will be little irregular in live streaming. Maybe one day in a week I will be here in live streaming. Yeah, when I'll be in Portugal, keep praying, okay, so that I can stay little more in Bangladesh. Because when I'll be in Portugal, I won't be here every single day. maybe one time or two time in a week I'll do the live stream. Just don't read Manu Films comments and you will be fine, lol. What job? I don't know any kind of job. I just need a job in Portugal. I just need a job, any kind of job. I have to survive. That's all. I have one question, 1149. That expansion candle, I enter 115 second setup to the last fair. What is your question, brother? Brother, why are you not trading? Why are taking a job? I told that lot of time in my life. It's a religious issue. I don't want to talk about that. It's my religious issue. Okay, that's all. I don't want to continue this conversation. Just let it go. Yeah, I will do one. I will keep alive one express account here, the trading view. I will just close all the account over there. I mean, though I have only two account, 150k account and 50k account, just two account in my trading view. So I will just close them and I will keep one account alive over here so that I can use this platform for free. That's all. I like your narration of your trade setups. It really helps see your thought process. Keep it up, bro. Thank you, C Oni. Thank you, brother. Angry and distracted is their enter point of posting dumb stuff for you to read. Stay centered and balanced, bro. I try, but I can't do that. It's my psychological issue. You know, that's why Buro, the guy named Buro, Peter, Tamimi, they keep telling me, brother, don't read the chat. Whenever then AFX, they keep telling that don't read the chat, don't read the chat. Oh man, I just can't control myself. Are you back to engineering job? I just need a job. I don't need the engineering job. Even if it is a odd job like restaurant job, waiter job, cleaning job, any kind of job. I just need a job so that I can survive over there. I just need the room rent and the food cost. That's all. I just need to survive. That's all. Wi-Fi, yes. If wife, then he will not come here. Jack T. Jen, without a code, what was your comment, Jack? I don't know what was your comment. I will come to Portugal then. I'm afraid of you, Outlander. You don't need a job, brother. You have already have a job. You are a teacher. Yep, but the outcome from here is not enough for me for living. Okay, so I need a job, brother. To be honest, I believe that very soon I will be able to. I don't know what to say, but right now I need a job. To be honest, brother, the job is being a teacher. Okay. If you have connection flight to UAE, we can meet. We can only meet if you can earn 200k US dollar. It's been a long, I don't talk about this. So I would love to remind you guys. I would love to meet all of you, okay? This is my only thing. Only thing I want from you to earn this money, real money from maybe from or maybe your own account, own funding account. Just earn that much money, please. It's a request to all of you. It's the requirement to meet with us. This is the rule. You have to meet that rule for our meeting. I would love to meet with you guys. Trust me. I will be the happiest person in this world if you are able to earn that much money. Now, it's look like huge, but trust me, it's not huge. It's very small money. Very, very, very small money. If you get just 25 handle, almost 3 days out of a week, just 3 days out of 5 days, 25 handle, just 25 handle, buy two contract. That means near about $1,000. And if you use the top step 5 account, combine account, copy trade them, it's gonna be $5,000 every single day. That means 3 day, $15,000. Copy trade is the key to success. Copy, you have to do the copy trade. Okay, you have to do the copy trade. In 1 week, you will be able to earn 15k by just 25 handle
and just 2 contract. 2500 is too small. Even if you are able to do that, how many months do you need to earn 200k? 1 month you are going to earn 60k. Maybe you took some loss. Overall you got 50k by 1 month. How many months do you need to meet that mean threshold? What do you think? How many months do you need? It's all about your habit, because you are over trading. That's why you are not able to touch that amount. If you stop over trading, this amount is too small. Because after some of you, when you will earn that money, I will make it not 200k, I will make it 500k. It will be 500k. Trust me, in my psychological group, very soon I will make at least 5 people to earn this money within 6 months. Within 6 months, at least 5 people will be earn that much money from my psychological group. There is near about 15 people. They will be able to earn this money. If you don't believe me, ask the psychological group person. Here is Peter, Tamimi, then Ryan. I don't know Ryan is over here or not. Some other guys is over there. I mean, who are with me in my psychological group. Ask them how difficult it is to blow their account. How difficult it is to blow their account. Ask them. Okay? Because they are following some rules, they're building their psychology, and this psychology will help them to earn that money. When 5 of them will earn that money, I will make it 500k. I earned 48k by 1 week. Just 48k by 1 week by one account, 150k account. It's not nothing, brother. All you have to do is you have to stop over trading. That's all. Just stop over trading. No need anything else. So when you will earn that money, you have to send me the plane ticket. Yeah, I'm not feeling shame to ask that. Yeah, you have to send me the plane ticket to visit your country. You have to bear all the cost, like the hotel cost and the food cost when I'll be there. Maybe I'll be there for 7 days, maybe 5 days. In my life, I have only one dream, and that is traveling whole the world. Until now, I have traveled 31 countries all over the world. 31, okay? I don't know you can understand my language or not. I have visited 31 countries all over the world. My plan is to visit all the countries in all of this world. That's why I'm doing all of these things for free. I don't need your money. Can I do the mentorship, private mentorship? I can do that, brother. Trust me, I have a lot of offer. Now I don't know you will trust me or not. I got offer for the signal. They offer me, they're going to pay me a lot for the signal. I'm not interested. I'm just not interested to get to take your money. All I'm interested that you will be able to earn this much money, and this is possible. If any of you are thinking that it's not possible, just leave me right now, unsubscribe me. Just right now do that. I promise you, I challenge you, I guarantee you, it's possible, inshallah. It's possible. If you don't give up, if you listen to me, if you don't get panic by that run, if you don't get panic by that run, you will be able to get that money. Remember, I got panic over here and took that buy. Why I took that buy? Because I was watching the chat and they were keep telling me that market is going high, market is going high. So I forced the market to give me some kind of buy setup. And so when I saw this, I thought, okay, this is the perfect time to take a buy. I'm sorry, but it's true. I should not look for buy over there. I should keep looking for sell. Though it is, I'm sorry for that. I'm not blaming you guys, because you are not the reason for my failure. You are not the reason for my winning. So I'm not giving you any blame, but it's true. Whenever I focus on chat, I messed up with everything. And I don't know when I will be able to work with that psychology. So please earn that much money. Send me the plane ticket. Make sure that you have booked a very nice hotel room. That should be very nice. Okay, I'm really a choosy guy. I can't just stay. I'm really a choosy guy. So that's the important part. আমি দিব না মা, আমি দিব না, থাক, আচ্ছা দিয়ে দাও। Reintaxment. I try so hard to blow it. I'm not being able to do it. Thank you, man, for that confirming. Impossible to blow the account. Thank you, Outlander. Thanks, man. Yeah, because you are not allowed to overtrade. That is the reason. Okay, so that's the part. This money is too simple to earn. All you have to do, you have to follow some rules. You don't listen to me, so you get panic to that run. That's why you are still that level where you are. I don't get panic when I see this. Maybe market is not falling. For example, let me talk a little about the psychological thing, okay? Because I believe that I told that I'm gonna close my session around 12. I really don't have anything to do right now, and at the same time it's the lunch hour. No need to read the price section. I can see there is about 122 people. Still, some people are over here. If you don't have anything to do, you stay over here. I would love to talk about some psychological things. If you think that you should leave, you want to leave, please leave it. Okay, I don't want to stop you here to listen my boring lecture. I really don't want to do that. So if you have anything to do, you can go, brother. Okay, just for your confirmation. Over here I was looking for sell. Okay, I am looking for sell. I am believing that market is going to take that sell liquidity. Now what happened? Maybe market went higher. Okay, it is going higher for taking the buy sell liquidity around that area. It is going to take that buy sell liquidity. Now I told that if market can close above that last parabolic from hourly chart, if and only if it happens, then I will start to look for buy. What is the true psychology? The true psychology is when I opened my chart, I was bearish. Hmm. If market keep going higher, I will not touch that market. I'm not going to touch that market because my expectation was market is going to take that liquidity. Now every single day I don't need to be right. Some days maybe I will be wrong. When I'm wrong, I'm not going to touch that market, brother. I'm just not going to touch the market. Every day is not for trading. I will keep that in my mind. So I don't need to force the market when even to change my direction. But can I do it? We can obviously do it, but if we should not do it if we are the beginner. If we are the beginner, we should not do it. Make sure that you understand this part. So when I'm looking for sell, market was going higher after 9:30 open. Market was going higher. A lot of you get panic. No, market is not going to take that sell side liquidity. It is going to take that buy side liquidity. Today's price action was that so clean, so clear, like yesterday. Watch my yesterday's stream, the before yesterday's stream, last week's stream. How clean that was. The price action was how clean over there. I told you a story, remember? You are in a dark room where there is no light. What should you do? Should you go look for the door to go outside, or you should wait because that room is unknown to you? You don't know what what do you have inside that room. There can be a snake, there can be some kind of knife. You can just cut your leg, maybe that snake will bite you. You don't know what do you have inside that dark room. So what should you do? You should wait wherever you are. You should stay over there until the light will come. It's the night, maybe the light will come around the day. The daylight will come over there. Maybe someone will come and they will use some torch for the light, or maybe the electricity will come and the room will be lightened. Around that area, when you will see what do you have inside that room. Now you have the eyes, you will be able to look for the door. Trading is something like that. When you are not sure what is going to happen, you should not touch that market. You should not do that. If you ask me, did I trade today? I wouldn't touch this market. Trust me, brother, I won't touch that market because this was not clean to me. Is market going for that buy side liquidity, or is that going for that sell side liquidity? Because I had this bearish parabolic cap from hourly chart, I had this bullish parabolic cap from 15-minute chart. Market is in range bound. Today's narrative is trend is your friend, that type of narrative. So I will only expect that market will keep falling. or keep going higher. When it is not happening, I'm not interested to touch that market. Simple logic. You are not ready. You are not ready to accept that. Every single day, you need the entry. That is the problem. You are still in minus, in negative, in red. You know that why you are in red, but you are not ready to avoid that habit. You don't want to change that habit. What can I say more to let you understand? I'm wrong here. Market went higher. Do I get any panic? Am I going to take any panic? No. I was expecting market will fall. It didn't happen. I'm not gonna touch that market. Just going to let that on. Every single time I will try to catch the sell move only until this parabolic cap is not broken. When it is broken, yeah, I will go for the buy maybe. But until then, I'm not interested to look for buy. Fear of losing trade. How can I take all the winning trade? Bullshit. There is nobody in this world who can take 100% winning trade. Nobody, simply nobody. Yeah, 1 week can be a good week. That means in 1 week I didn't take any losing trade. It can happen. 1 month, it can happen. 1 year, nearly impossible. If you trade every single day, 1 year you will take only the winning trade. It's nearly impossible. And until now, I don't believe so. Anybody can do it, and nobody can do it. So you have to take some loss. Why you are afraid of taking that loss? Do you know why you are afraid? Because you're doing some kind of 50k account combined, and you took the entry 5 contract entry. So if you take a loss, it's gonna be $1,000 loss. So by one trade only, you are going to lose $1,000, where your maximum loss is to $2,000. You should be afraid. You should be afraid, brother. Over leveraged will kill you. You can't do the over leverage. You have to go at least the lowest contract size is allowed for that combine. If you are trading 50k, you are allowed to take only one contract entry until you made near about 10,000, $20,000. This is that. Okay. Bluenox, do they have activation fee? Tamimi knows the answer. Tamimi, Bluenox, do they have the activation fee, brother? What is Bluenox coupon code? You will get 90% off for that prop firm. So if you want to take an eval account from Bluenox, you will get 90% off until 30 of this month. Okay. And there is the Apex, there is 80% off. So if you use that code, you will get that offer. Okay. Tamimi, yes, they do. Oh, okay. So they have the activation fee as well. Minato, it's lifetime, brother. What is lifetime, brother? Lifetime or monthly? It's lifetime. Eval and PA are different. In Eval, there is no emotions, but it's different story for price actions. Okay. So you guys are talking something. Okay, if I would get 2 more subscriber, I would be really happy if I would get 2 more subscriber, because then it would be 63230. But until now 6328 is more than enough. I believe so. That's cool. Catty Pan, are you new to my channel, brother? Catty Pan. This is the time distortion. Market is just doing the time distortion over here around the lunch hour. We will see around the is it look like a bull setup to you? Because you have this 15-minute bullish parabolic up around that area. So over there, let me mark that bullish parabolic up on 15-minute chart here. It seems like that market is bullish. I'm not interested to take that bull until this parabolic gap is not broken. I'm not interested to frame any kind of bull setup until it's not broken. Simple logic, okay? Kitty man, you are new to my channel? Yeah, brother, I come almost every day to my live around the morning session, 9 a.m. New York local time. I try to come, okay? But here you will only learn the price action, so no trading signal over here, okay? I'm signing up for Bluenox now and I'm being promoted to enter a coupon code. What is the coupon code number? That is T2 Wizard. You can see it on the top screen. It's T2 Wizard. The coupon code is T2 Wizard. Thank you, Outlander, for confirming that. So guys, I'm so boring for today. I told that I'm gonna be quiet today. The reason was I was expecting this type of price action. To be honest, you can ask me why I was expecting this type of price action. The reason was this sell side liquidity and that line. Look over here, here to here. It's near about. Oh, sorry, not that one. Extreme sorry. From here to here, 347 handle. Okay, it's near about 347 handle. Now it's really impossible for price to reach until that area without any higher, huge news. Okay, so that's why I was expecting this type of consolidation. That's why I told that I'm gonna be quiet today. I would love to see the price only with you guys, but it is also I can't stay without talking. I talk too much, so yeah. I am signing up for Bluenox now and I'm being promoted to enter. Okay, I guess you got the code, but you have to put the code for some kind of a specific account. I guess the account is 25k account is valid. Okay, speak in Hindi. Hello brother, can you speak in Hindi? uh One more subs are needed. Subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, yeah. I just need one more subscriber to make it 336330. It's gonna be good if you just. Nice quiet stream today. I'm sorry for that. I wanted to be quiet, but I didn't. So sorry for that. मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी बोल सकता हूँ भाई, पर मेरा हिंदी उतना अच्छा नहीं है. मैं समझ सकती हूँ हिंदी, समझ सकता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं बांग्लादेश से हूँ और मैंने बहुत बॉलीवुड मूवी देखा है, इसलिए मैं समझ सकता हूँ, तो हिंदी समझ सकता हूँ पर बोल नहीं सकता हूँ. कह नहीं सकता. ओके, मेरा हिंदी तो आप भी नहीं समझ पाएगा. इफ आई मीन मैं पर how to say, if I keep telling the Hindi, then the guys are here from different countries, they won't understand anything. Okay, so I just can't say the Hindi, and my Hindi is not really so good. Hello brother, can you speak in Hindi? I told you that, Roman. I'm sorry, I know my English is also is not understandable, but yeah. Future curve, one more subscriber. Will I get it? But by the way, I got 174 likes. I'm really happy for that. I'm really so happy to see that. 174 likes. It's really huge. Future curve. Did I see your comment before? We don't understand Hindi lol. Oh man, my Hindi is so bad. Okay, but I'm from Bangladesh, so yeah, obviously I understand the Hindi language. I can't talk in Hindi, but yeah, I understand the Hindi. To be honest, I have watched a lot of Bollywood movie. So over here, if you just look at this price action, this price action, and this price action. Some days are not good. You have to understand that. Some days are not good. And if you are mentally prepared for that, you'll be happy. I was here for 200k US dollar. How many people do you think that you will be able to earn that money? I need your answer. At least for this question. How many people really believe that you will earn that money? Obviously, if you think that you get any kind of help from my YouTube channel or my Twitter, then I will be the part of your earning. That means after that, I will ask you to send me the plane ticket when you will earn that money. But if you think that no, I didn't help you, I just didn't help you, okay? You didn't understand anything from here, then I have uh, no expectation from you, from your invitation. So obviously, if you think that you got help from here, from all of us, I will ask you, don't forget me when you will earn that money, because I believe that if you stay over here and if you follow everything I tell you, you will be able to earn that money, and you won't take a lot of time. You won't need that. You don't need that lot of time. Just, you know, copy trade will just make it will take maximum 3 months to earn that money. Just 3 months if you just follow the things I keep telling you. Okay, me this year I will earn that money. I have to. Thank you, Fragan 40 and Outlander AFX. I will do it in 12 months. Inshallah, AFX. 200k easy this year. Absolutely, Outlander. It's always easy for every year. Otherwise, I'm not allowed to invite you. Absolutely, brother. I believe. Thank you, Siwani. Futures curve, me. Thank you, brother. You have to believe that first. That you are wasting your time. You are spending your time. You know, time is the most valuable thing in our life. So you are wasting your time to learn this bullshit. So why this thing is not going to pay you? It has to pay you. All you have to do, you have to stop being greedy, you have to stop being panicked, you have to stop over trading, you have to stop FOMO, you have to stop over leveraging. You are all already over there. Okay, you are already over there. Futures curve, thank you, brother. Yeah, you will be able to do that, I believe so. I'm trying also to do, but some days bad for me. It will keep doing that. I am just unable to show you the psychological groups uh, account summary because it's their personal thing. But if you see something over there, you will see one guy just keep taking losing trade until 7, 8, 9, 10 losing trade. Then they started to earn the money again. They started to earn the green amount again and again. Then they take some loss, they take some buy. This is the trading. I'm just unable to do that to show you that, but it is the part of this game. If you don't overtrade, if you don't do over leveraged, you will be in this race. I would like to meet with you. I would love to meet with you, brother. GJ, me boss, will be there, brother, very soon, inshallah. Before knowing you, there was no chance in fucking hell I would do it. Now in 12 months, I will do, inshallah, brother, inshallah. Outlander, which one you trading Apex multiple accounts? I want to earn. I need psychological help. Okay. Whoever earned 200k needs to pay me 5%. You heard that. Outlander. Outlander, just start to pay Tamimi, okay? I think you will get there first. Then Tamimi will pay me. Thank you all. Thank you, Shutipong. Shutipong, you are also new. I saw your name before, but I think you are new, very new to my channel. We will not, but also you don't forget us when you get 50k subscriber. Brother, I am not like that guy, okay? Until now, if you don't know me, I will cry. I will cry, okay? I keep remembering every name I read on this comment box. I keep them remembered. So I don't forget the people. I don't only forget the price. I don't only I don't only remember the price section. I also only remember the names I see on this comment box. Okay, I'm not that much bad. Trust me. I'm always FOMO. Brother, can you please watch the video in my YouTube channel? The name is FOMO, Fear of Missing Opportunity. Please watch that video. It will help you. I believe that it will help you. So please watch that video. You will find that in my YouTube channel. I will, inshallah, Forex Mastermind. We will do that, brother, all together. After watching videos and live, I can put stop loss on target profit in the good place. In the school, that means you improved. But it will take time. Don't rush. Every single of you, okay? Please don't rush. It will take time. 50k account, but not at the moment because doing T2 challenge. Yep, you are not allowed to do anything else if you are in that challenge account. You planned not to talk today, but you were speaking for the last 3.5 hours. Lol. I'm sorry, Tamim. I'm a very bad guy, okay? I'm a very bad guy. I lost 250k account because I was retard. It's if you don't blow your account, you won't be able to earn money. So you have to blow the account. Lol, it's been talking 3.5 hours. Lol. I'm sorry, I'm gonna close it, okay? I'm gonna close it very soon, okay? Just recently. Tamim with a sexy accent. I'm talking with sexy accent. Okay. Okay, I was actually waiting for 6330 subscriber, but I didn't get it. So remember what did I say? Maybe some of you are looking for buy from that fair value gap and I'm looking for sell. I would love to see market will go through this fair value gap. Until this sells liquidity, I'll be bearish. And if and only if market can close above that last fair value gap, maybe then I'll be bullish. Until then, I'm not bullish. Market doesn't need to take that sell side liquidity, but every single time I will get an opportunity to look for sell, I'll go for that sell. So that's all. And yeah, Wizard was on fire today. Yeah, I was a little distracted because of the chat psychology. The guys in my chat are really so stubborn. They want me to get angry. I don't know why. Now I will not FOMO everything, follow bias and plan. If I'm not in the market, I'm fine. Absolutely. If you are not in the market, you are absolutely fine. When you are in the market, always try to get out from the market. Always try to get out from the market as soon as possible. I'm in that trade over there. I'm not gonna hold it until that area. Instead of that, I will look for some kind of obvious liquidity, which is called the low hanging fruit. Low hanging fruit. And yeah, I will catch that low hanging fruit. I'm done. If you were new to your channel, how would you go about learning? Thank you, brother, for asking this question. If I were new to my channel, okay, I don't know which channel it is. I'm just in this channel and I thought that this guy is going to help me. So this is my playlist. First, I would complete that study folder. See this study folder? I would complete that study folder. Every single video over there. I have near about 21 videos. Every single video is different. I would watch them. For example, if you watch this breaker block video, over there I have explained the way I mark the breaker block. So I would take notes. I would spend at least 1 week for that breaker block. At least 1 week. I won't do something like that. I watch that video, that video, that video, that video, that video. No, I'm not doing that. I'm just watching that one video. I take notes, what is the requirement, then I will be in my chart. In my chart, I will start to match that information over here. I will waste at least 1 week and then I will see if it works or not. If it works, perfect. I will keep that in my mind. I will make another book or the journal over there. I will write it down that this setup is valid because 1 week I'm not doing the backtest, but if you are good with the backtest, please do that. When 1 week is done, maybe you will need 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, maybe 1 month. I don't know, but at least 1 week. Then I will come to this breaker block. I will spend the same way over there because this is everything is independent. This is the model. This is a model. If you want to keep looking for trade, by that model. You don't need anything else. See this, every single one is model. This is independent model, independent model, independent model, model, A++ setup, model. Now here this one I explained why the perfect setup failed. You have to watch that one for information. Breaker block selection rules, that is the part of this breaker block, but if you watch that breaker block video, I believe that that is enough for you. But here you can just take a look over there. Last variable gap, midnight open concept. Now over here I have explained this one. This is just a model. I told that I am not 100% sure about that one because I am still experiencing over there. It's been a long, I don't see the midnight open. Okay, it's been a long, to be honest, I forgot about the midnight open. I have a lot of things to do except this instead of this midnight open. So sometimes I start something and then I forget to complete that one. It happens with me. Do I need that one? Don't need that one. But if you just look over here, you will see the precision. Trust me. So far I have watched, I have got my precision. 100% winning rate, last variable gap concept. So some of you are confused about the last variable gap. If you watch that video, that last variable gap video, you will get a lot of information from there. That is awesome. Okay, that is just awesome. And it will change your whole concept about the way you see the market. This simple 35 minutes video will change your whole concept. This is the easiest way. You can see all of this thing. Okay, I mean every single. Now over here the low, I mean the oldest videos, these videos, they are not the model. Okay, they are not the model. This is important. How you should mark the market structure sheet. You have to understand this video. How to avoid the losing trade. This is two video. You have to watch both of them. You see, this is the part two. How to avoid losing trade, part two. This is the part one. You have to watch this video and that video. First this one, then you have to watch this one. But you have to watch those videos so that you will be understand why your market structure shift is not valid and you are taking a lot of losses. Full guidelines. This is also some kind of video. After this study folder, when I'm done with this study folder, where I will go, let me actually make it here. After this study folder, when I'm done with this study folder, I will come here, this narrative. There's just 5 video. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Just this 5 video. This 5 video is all independent. How the Monday narrative is working, how the Tuesday narrative is working. This is all the PO3. ICT's PO3 has been simplified over there. I explained that. I tried my level best to make it simpler. After the study folder, you need this narrative folder. You have to watch them. If you are so lazy, then don't look at them. Please don't look at them. Okay. Study folder, narrative, done. See this macro folder. This is the macro folder. Over here, first I introduced about the macro. In this whole trading world, you will never get this much precision from outside of this folder. This is for the kid under 18 people who are really under 18. This is for them. I spent near about 4 months only by that folder, only by this folder. I was near about 95% profitable trader by this folder. 95% time I was right. Here, every single day I went through. You see, this is the rules. The second video, this is the introduction. You have to watch obviously that one. Then this is the rules for the macro. I have already explained all the rules you need for the macro entry. This is not something like ICT. I took only the time from ICT. So what is the macro time? I took it from ICT. Rest of all is my experience. So I always tell that this is mine. I accept the macro time. This is mine. There is nothing you will find out. If you ask me where ICT talked about that, I can't give you the answer because this is mine. There was the Monday. This one was from the Monday, I guess. Then this is the Tuesday macro analysis. I have explained all the macro over there. 14-minute video, 30-minute video. Wednesday macro review, Thursday macro review, Friday macro review. In that specific week, I went every single day. I was in live. I showed the live execution. Then I made the video so that the people who will join me later, they will be able to study this macro setup. This is the last video. Next week, Monday. Okay. So there was 8 winning, no losing until that week. So I started from Monday. I closed at Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday. After 8 days, there were 8 winning trade, no losing trade. Watch it and please make that by yourself. So if you watch that one, that is fully independent, and it is, to be honest, for the under 18 people who are really so lazy, who doesn't want something exciting from this market. This is for them, that macro folder. So you have already studied the study folder, narrative folder, macro folder. After this three folder, you will go to this fair value gap concept. Here, it will increase your fair value gap concept. I mean, how the fair value gap works actually. It will help you to increase your knowledge about the fair value gap concept. When you will watch this one, you have to watch this weekly analysis folder and the daily bias folder. These two folder, okay? It's not for studying, but you have to watch so that you can get an overall idea. Just an overall idea by that weekly analysis and daily bias video, because every week I'm doing the weekly analysis video and I'm putting it into this into that folder over here. You see, this is all the weekly analysis. Every single week I did the weekly analysis, I put it over there. So this is all the weekly analysis video. I put it inside that folder every single week, maybe Saturday or the Sunday. And the daily bias video also, you have to watch it so that you will get an overall idea. This trade execution, I have already uploaded a lot of trade execution. So in my life, I took a lot of trades and I executed the trade and I posted it over there. So you can see it's 1 minute 5 second, 55 second, 1 minute 24 second, 1 minute 43 second. So very small. So if you want some kind of, what to say, I mean, you can just watch those videos for making more confident. There is some these two also a lot of what to say, just a second, why that one is so big, I have to check. Okay, over here maybe I explained a trade, I guess. Then I showed some continuous setup, I guess. Yeah, continuous setup. So you can watch them. You will get a lot of notes from there, because I learned this concept by writing this way. When I traded at my beginning, when I put my trade on the chart, I keep writing what is going to happen and what is I'm expecting. Still now I do that sometimes, but not always. So you will see the notes over there. I believe that it will help you a little bit for getting more confident about the trade. Okay, so that is the trade execution video. All the trade I have executed, that is that video. And this is trade analysis video. Over here you will get a lot of informative videos. At least when I actually took a trade, why I took that trade, what was the reason around that area, you will find that over there. And some videos are really so important. For example, these two video, it's extremely important from trade analysis folder. These two video, how to change from 15 minute to 1 minute chart, it's really so important. 15-minute chart, direction, 1 minute execution. Okay, so these two video is extremely important, so you can watch them. Then simple setup strategy from ICT beginners, you can watch them from the trade execution folder. Yeah, that's all, brother. Okay, come to Seattle. You are more than welcomed. Earn 200k. I would love to visit you, brother. I would love to visit you. Okay, just earn that 200k. So guys, and then trading psychology, I just talked too much over there. So if you are facing the FOMO, what is FOMO, please watch that video. You will understand a lot of things about the FOMO. Now this video has a very bad voice. I'm not recommending you to watch that video because the sound is really horrible over here. but I had no time to edit them or to remake the video, so I just uploaded that. This is all about the psychology. I will keep posting the psychological video over here. So this one, you need that one. Trust me. This what is FOMO. You need that one. Please. What else do I have? Algorithmic price run. Over there, I show you some deeper, little deeper, not so deep, but little deeper price action. Okay. So this is how I would do my. I would visit my account. Okay, my account. I would visit my account like that way. So guys, as you see, it has broken that bullish fair value gap from 15 minutes. As I told you, I'm bearish until this one is not broken. I'm bearish. Now you are not ready to accept that bull run. It's not a good price action. See this bearish fair value gap over there. I would love to see that it will left that open. That one, yeah, it can tap over there, though I don't want to see that. I would love to see that market will left that open and it will keep falling. Even it will never tap over there. It never tapped over there. I would love to see that. If it do that, that means it is extremely bearish. It is very heavy. This is my expectation. Now it's not yet. I mean, after 5 minutes 41 seconds, it's gonna be a valid fair value gap. Until then, it's not valid. Okay, keep that in your mind. Oh, by the way, I got 6330. Tell me the congratulations. Okay, because you see, not only in my chart but also in my subscription, I'm right. I'm the wizard of this market. I'm the wizard of this market. Okay. At the same time, I would keep coming to my live streaming, because in my life, what I'm giving you all, this is more than, it is worthy than $100,000. It is more than worthy, and very soon the sound system is going to be okay, because Peter Outlander, you see, he has sent me a headphone. So it's in Dhaka International Customs. I believe that within 1 or 2 weeks I will get that headphone. So when the headphone will be in my hand, I'll be very happy, because the sound problem will be gone. I believe that sound problem will be gone, and it will be easier for you to understand me. Okay, yeah. Congrats on that subs, brother. You deserve 100 times more. Thank you, team. Thank you, guys. Thanks for that. Now it's been 1 hour. I was telling that I'm going to close my session, and I spent almost 1 hour. When I spent almost 1 hour, I would love to see the last moment. Okay, so let me stay 5 more minutes, 4 more minutes, then I will actually close it. This is the 1250 to 110 macro. That means I have already started to look for a sell setup. I've already started to look for a sell setup. I would love to see what happened over there. Market has taken the buy side liquidity around that area. Market structure sheet, fair value gap, trade the order block. Just let me remove this line from 15-minute chart. I don't need it. So over here, this is the highest upclose candle. It went higher. It has taken all of this buy side liquidity. Guys, you can leave, okay? You can leave now. This swing low is valid for shifting market structure. That was the market structure shift. This is the fair value gap. Market has traded that fair value gap. And that area, market has traded that fair value gap. The highest up close body close candle is your order block. Mark that order block. And this is your order block. Market didn't tap to this order block. I can see it perfectly. And yeah, so the order block trade is left. It can reach until that order block now before falling. So far it reached here to that specific area and made this relatively equal lows. So yep, okay. Perfect. Has taken all the liquidity by that run. Perfect. And the 15-minute fair value gap we will see if it can make the 50-minute fair gap or not. Still now there is no 50-minute fair gap. When this candle will close, there will be a 15-minute bearish fair gap. I'm going to remove this one because it's broken already. Okay. So just one more minute. Just need 2 more minutes. Sorry. I got 6,330 subscriber. I never thought about that when I have started my live streaming, my YouTube channel. What did I thought? I thought that if I get just 1,000 or 2,000 subscriber, I am more than happy. Okay, I'm more than happy. I never thought that I will touch 5,000 subscriber. Never ever. It is really unexpected. Just 1 minute 4 seconds left for being a bearish fabric up over there. If it can make a bearish fabric up, I really would love to see that market won't touch that bearish fabric up. That will help me to understand that is market going for that social liquidity or not. If it left that bearish fabric up open, that means market is heavy. It can reach until that area. If market tap to this bearish fabric up before falling, then I'm not expecting that market is going to take this social liquidity. Instead of that, I will see that market will maybe come until this breaker block today. Okay, this is how I outlined the fabric gap. Is it falling or is it actually going higher? I'm not interested to look for buy. As I told, see this buy run, I really don't give a shit to that buy run. I will let it go. I'll just let it go, but most of the people are not ready for that. They don't want to let it go. They want to catch that run, and it helps them to be a consistent profitable loser. Consistent profitable loser. Okay, so this is the bearish parabolic gap market has made. I don't want to see that market will tap to this parabolic gap. Even it will touch that parabolic gap. I really don't want to see that. From here, what do you think at first? Yeah, it will tap over there. It is so obvious that it will tap over there. I don't want to see that. Okay, this is so simple logic. If it left that open like that way, even if it failed to trade that parabolic gap, that means market is too heavy and it is going for that sell liquidity. But if it tap over there, then spend a lot of time over here, that means market is not too heavy. Market is not in rush to reach somewhere else. It will spend a lot of time. And now you are greedy. Okay, I don't want to be greedy. When someone just complained, I can see Ion Rodius, he just complained that I'm getting greedy. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm just gonna close my session for today. I hope that until tomorrow, uh, everyone will be cool. So until tomorrow, cheers guys. I'm not using new week opening gap anymore. I don't know if there is any new week opening gap or not. Okay, Minato. So guys, until the next video.